Traders! Ladies and gentlemen, good morning all of you beautiful, beautiful people of TradeCatcher, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok.com, guys. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Popping off, getting the trading on, getting it going good, getting it going strong, guys. Let's adjust this camera a little bit. In the darkness, traders, I hope you guys are all having an amazing day, man. What is up? We have Fun Friday, and we're doing a little dually to kick it off, guys. To get the energy flowing, get it going, we got the one and only Caesar about to be up in the building. Gonna give him a call now, and we're gonna get it going, traders. So I hope all of you guys are having an amazing day. You know, doing what you gotta do to make that money move in the market, of course. So, woo! Like I said, traders, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, man. Let's crank this music down just a little bit. We're going to get Caesar up in the building, get everyone going, get the party flowing, and get it all great, baby. So give me 1 second as I give a call to the good old Caesar. Here we go. Yeah, buddy! What's up, Joe Fi? What's up, bro? I hope you're having a good day, bro. Killing the market, crushing it. This guy, yo. Give me 1 second, guys. For Caesar to answer a Discord call on the first try. There it is. Yeah, what's up, bro?
What's up? What's up?
How you doing, bro?
I'm good, man. I'm a little sad right now, bruh.
How come?
Cause I missed the NFP by like 4 minutes, bro.
Oh, dude, yeah, bro. Look at this, man. I mean, yeah, yeah. That was crazy, dude. I was not expecting that, man. What? Did you know it was gonna happen?
I expected more of an upside, yeah. I was looking for the was it like the consolidation of like last week, this 17,939.40 area to be retested, and it looks like we're gonna break it.
Yeah,
I just want a decent pullback. I don't want to chase here.
yeah,
But I do see this thing like continuing up, especially, given the way um the market is pushing,
yep,
and given like the sentiment, the news and everything like that. Yeah. So I'm just like, oh, why?
yeah,
Why y'all do
right.
me like
No, bro. I
this?
agree with you, dude. I was sitting here, man. I usually I'm here. I'm like loading up my charts and stuff like that. And somebody, I think it was
Mhm.
AK in Dex chat, was like, "Oh, like what's going on with SPY?" And I look, dude, it's up like yeah, like what is that, $5 in that one? I'm like, oh my
Yeah,
god, like
57, 54 points on ES. Yeah, bro, it's just massive. I'm like, oh.
yeah, bro. It's
So hopefully we get a little dip. I would love a dip down to like 850. Yeah, to 850 to like enter long, but
yeah,
we'll see.
yep, yeah.
I'm
I'm there with
sad.
you
Like,
too. Yeah, right. Like it's sad,
oh, it
bro. I know.
hurts. It hurts.
Ah, but that's good, man. Hey, at least you knew. At least you had, the right move down. You just were a little bit, you know what I mean? A little bit too late. It's okay. It's okay. It happens. Yeah, dude. So definitely going into the morning though. That's what I'm gonna look for around that 850. Actually, I have right around. It'll probably be 850 by market open on NQ. My EMA's lining up with that. So just waiting on that, and then yeah, we got to see for S&P as well. So um, yeah, I mean that's really it, and then we should be good to go. I mean, and that might just be the direction of the day. You know what I mean? Just topside off of that news. If you wanna, for anyone in here that doesn't really know what the news and data is about, if you wanna explain it at all, if you know anything about it, Caesar. Okay. Yeah, bro's too busy making. Yeah, right. Yeah, yeah.
Oh no, my bad. My thing switched.
Oh no, you're good.
The- the-
I was like asking a question. I'm just like Caesar. See, no, you're good. You're good. All right. Oh, that makes so much
What was
sense,
the
bro.
question? What was the
I was gonna
question?
say so. If you wanted to explain basically like what non-farm payrolls is, I have like the brief summary of it here if you want me to or whatnot. For like anyone who doesn't really know why the market moved like that, you know what I mean?
Okay, yeah, one sec.
Okay. See, we got about 8 minutes till market open. So yeah, buddy. Yeah, Joe Fi. Yup. I know. Agreed, buddy. So traders, hopefully you guys are chilling out, having a good day, getting the trades in. You know what I'm saying, guys? Feeling great. NVDA is spiking up right now. So into the market open, obviously due to this really, massive pump or whatnot, I don't know if NQ is going to be affected with NVDA. So just be cautious, be careful. All right, traders. So, yeah, I'll give you guys a brief rundown of
Okay.
just. Oh, you good?
Oh, yep, I'm good. So
Nice.
yeah, so NFP stands for non-farm payroll. So basically, it has to do with like the amount of people that are employed or not employed. So, being that the numbers were less than what was expected, which is really good, I guess, for like for the feds to, possibly cut rates, or it boils along the line of what the feds want to see. So that's why.
Okay.
Had it been high again, then it would have initiated fear in the market that the Feds are going to raise rates, because the market is very scared of the Feds raising rates.
Yeah, that's on the brim right now, and nobody. I mean, we haven't even done a cut yet, let alone to add another raise. You know what I mean? So everyone's kind of. And I thought yesterday,
Yeah.
with the FOMC, I was on edge. I really, thought that they were gonna come out and be like, I know this is not what everyone wants to hear, but if we get a 0.25 hit, another increase, that just might happen. So yeah, no, definitely agreed that anything that can kind of help just signify that we're not going to get another increase and that cuts are coming definitely is going to, pump this market back up. And we're already at $500. So imagine we do a cut here, guys. Imagine we do a cut at $500. Where are we going from here, dude? It's going to be another all-time high. You know what I mean? It's like, this is nuts, dude. So we haven't had that big of a pullback, from 525. So we've realistically only pulled back, and we're at 510 right now. So we've only pulled back, $15 from the all-time highs. So if we get one good news, one good data that could really start to shoot this market back, in the top direction, you might just see it. So so definitely be careful for any of you shorters that are holding long-term shorts and or puts. Just make sure to be very cautious on your plays. But yeah, no, I mean definitely just holding that one out. Going to see what happens with it. So yeah, buddy. Woo! So we're feeling great, traders. We're feeling grand. All right, so hopefully you guys are all as well. We got 5 minutes till market open here. I do have those EMAs set up perfectly there on NQ, forming here on ES, and also NVDA. Going to take a look at NQ overall here as well, just to make sure I got everything good to go. NQ overall, good to go. Let's see. I did, yeah, there goes DJT. I did hold some longs going into Coinbase during their
Yeah,
hours. Let me go to
waiting a bit.
what did you say?
No, I'm saying I'm waiting a bit. I want a little pullback to get long, but it looks like this thing might just fly right out the gate.
Yeah. If it definitely may, just because now retail traders still have yet to get in. So,
Hmm.
not retail traders, but people that can only trade market hours, I should say. Coinbase, man, Coinbase had good earnings, but dumped off dumped off a little bit there. And now starting to come back up
Well,
all the
that's
way
because
back.
they have there's a lawsuit against them.
Oh, is that why? Oh, is that why they had the little
Yeah.
sell off? Okay.
Hmm.
Makes
Yeah.
more sense. All right. Well, I'm basically break even right now on all my shares because I just held shares going into it. So I think my fill actually I got like a really bad fill at the close. I got filled around 232. So like that literally it just for a spike. It went up to 243. I was like, "Yes." And then it came back down and I was like,
Hmm.
"No." I was like, "No, don't do it." I should have sold, dude, but I was like, "All right, you know
Yeah.
what? We're going to hold it out." So now going into open, I can sell whenever, but we're just gonna. I'm gonna see what it does off market open here. See if we get any type of little spike of Rooney. But is that basically so? What the earnings report came out, and they also were they talking about the lawsuit at all, or was it basically just like them trying to
Probably. I
hype it up?
mean, well, they've been in this whole lawsuit by the SEC, so that's going to affect their share price. So even if they beat earnings, like
Yeah.
people could be just cashing out. It's like, okay, they had good earnings, we had a little pop. Let's take some profits. You know what I mean?
Yep. Yep. No, 100% agreed. So going in here, guys, I might do a little. I don't know. I like that we're breaking this little triangle pattern we got going on NQ here. Let me load up NVDA, see what's going on here. I might hold like 2 micros going into open, and then if that thing decides to spike, I'll just use my 9-day EMA as that support. So yesterday, me and Caesar actually hopped on. We hopped on a call afterwards, guys. All the loss that we had yesterday, and everything like that, all made back plus 350 then on the day,
The fuck?
literally just from holding, bro. I called it the Caesar magic. The second I hopped on, called this guy, I don't know what happened. It was just everything started going.
Went from red to green.
Yeah, bro. I'm like, all right, well, dude, let's get this guy on call again. What's going on? So yeah, buddy, bro. But no, actually though, it was pretty good. It was just holding out that move, that afternoon move. So it was pretty nice. So yeah, buddy. Yeah, that was just funny though. I'm like, dude, there's no way. I'm like, I mean, I'm grateful, but it's so funny. All right, so we're chilling out. We got about 2 minutes till market open. Bada bing, bada boom.
Mm-hmm.
So let me crank this music a little bit.
Bing, bada boom. Let's go. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay.
Gotta get it hyped up. Gotta feel great.
Yes, sir.
Woo! So traders, if you guys have not yet, man, get your
1
cup
minute
of
to
coffee,
go.
get your sparkling water, get what you gotta get. We got about 1 minute till market open here. We're getting that little bit of a push here. I'm just gonna get in
Order filled
now, and then I'm gonna have a stop loss. That's about 50 points. I'm gonna do like, actually, it should be tighter because it should spike off open. So I'm gonna keep it tighter.
He's already going. Oh.
About 20 points. Oh wow, there we go.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, dude, I'm already in these. There it goes. Oh man. Oh baby. All right, let's see if this holds off open. If you guys want to, and you guys are already in with it, dude, lock in your gains now. If you just want to be, buy the rumor, sell the news. I mean, wait. Yeah, buy the rumor, sell the news. Yeah, that's the situation here. Think about that one. But holding it to open, gonna see if we get that little push off open, and yeah, just wait and watch it.
I mean, give us a pullback.
So I have my stop loss.
Nice score. Firmly over 940.
Let's see. Watching the S&P, seeing if we're gonna get anything off this open move. Just have to wait. Wait and watch. It's holding up here. Nice little lower shadow there on SPY. Starting to come back in. Starting to come back to the top side. If it can break that 511.50, it can definitely start to take off. I love it.
Come on.
A little of my time in sales here on. NQ did break that high on that last candle. Not bad looking, but just gotta wait.
Mm-hmm.
S&P getting a little bit of push. There it goes.
Let's see.
Okay, we got NVDA that could potentially be holding it down. Let me take a look at NQ overall here. See what we got going.
Already a little pullback.
Back to that 9. See if it starts to spike off of it.
Ooh, the Dow's ripping.
Yeah. There we go. It'll pull back. I do expect it. Yeah, bounce off that 9-day. See if it can start coming up here. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's see if you get your little push here. Let's see if you get your little push here. Give me a little red to green move here. Start taking off. Right off open. Come on, baby. Make it a good Friday. Friday, yay day. Let's go.
Let's see.
NQ overall starts going red to green here. We will be good to go. Just have to wait and watch on that. Holding above this 9 is beautiful. I love it. Push here. You get plays like NVDA, so spike. That would help out as well, but do have my stop loss set.
Okay. And
NQ overall, it's starting to get up there. I like it. Just gotta wait and watch, guys. Want to see green on the time and tail start to come in? Green, green, green. If that starts to happen, should not come down to that 50-day EMA if it's gonna hold this here. It should hold right in this area as it is. Just like that. Up above that 68 point that just hit. Wow, NVDA. Whoa, NVDA just flipped the script in one candle, bro. Whoa, go take a look at that thing, man. NVDA. Well, you need to see the rest of these plays kind of hold up though to push that through.
shit.
If S&P can come back up here. We're gonna do this only. That'd be like $100. That's fine. Yep. I might as well go. I don't like doing that where I keep adjusting my stop loss and whatnot, guys. But at the exact same time, I see that U up, I see that 50, I see that 50 there. Right there's that trend line actually as well. So if it's gonna hold up here, this is where it's gonna do it, and then it'll start taking off. But I have that little bit of wiggle room to give it. Basically, like the max is like $100 on it, and it's only on 2 micros. So that's the thing about 2 micros, guys. You can give it some wiggle room. I do want to see it spike up here, though. That's what you're looking at. Because that 50-day EMA right there, 50, 50. Should not realistically come down to 50 on this one if it's going to spike. So that's my absolute max stop loss where it's at right there. Right here's where it would start to spike. Right here. This is the absolute max spot. Alright. Alright. Start to flip the script. Alright. 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 Cause I make the beats for the underground. You want to see these all hold up here. They got to hold above the 9-day EMA to actually be able to get back up to your spot. So holding above that 9-day EMA is what I'm looking for there. That's going to be the price of right around 37. Back above 37 makes me feel good. 39 coming in, I love that. I love that. Above 40 now, starting to push back up. I love that. Nice lower shadow there as well, starting to help me out there, making me feel great. If it holds above this 9-day EMA, next candle forms, it could rip up to that 68 point. So I want to see this hold above there, especially hold above that 40 level. Starts coming right there, goes, guys. You want to see this hold here now. You want to see this hold here. So held above that 9, little red to green here is fine. But just kind of reshaping, revamping. So I want to see red to green.
36.
S&P lower shadow, I love it. Has to play here though, and then Q. Starting to come in.
Come on.
So I had a nice big lower shadow there. Yeah, it has to hold up right here.
Ooh, oh, dumping.
It's close. Say that. It's still. I will say I like that it's respecting and holding this level with S&P taking off to the downside below 510. I want to see if this thing. Look at that, man. It can go red to green here. Hold up, hold up, hold the phone, ladies and gentlemen. Hold the phone. So I don't know what your fill is. My fill is 48 on this. So I'm looking for it to hold above 40 here and then start taking back off to the 70 level. Basically that 6-8 level was at. So above that level there, it can start really ripping and running all the way up to 1800, I'd say. Or 18,000, excuse me. Yeah, 1800. No, 18,000, guys. So I think NQ overall can get that little bit of a push here. Get above that 48 level. Honestly, where I'm at is kind of where I want to see it get above 48, 50 levels. I love it holding 40. That makes me feel good because that's above that 9. But I want to see it above that 48 level trade. I'm going to mark that level in which I want. It's kind of marked already, but I'm really realistically just going to say that 50 level. Right there. Love to see that come up. Hold. Has to hold here on the S&P. Holding above 510 makes me feel good. But again, see NQ do its thing. NQ getting up there now. NQ traders getting up there, breaking 50 traders. Let's see if we can hold these highs now, NQ, and start taking off. S&P 500 has got to push up to its 50-day as well. If we can re-push that, break the 50-day, green on the time and sales here, I think we got it. Goes coming breaks out to the top side to get above the rip. Let's see this hold up here, guys. Again, 2 micros here. Stop loss is literally $100 there, but I don't really want to think about that too much. But with the way the S&P is moving, I do give NQ props as it is respecting itself.
Back to 900.
Nice big lower shadows coming, guys. Honestly, I do like it a little bit. Bro gambled on open. I like the aggressive nature. Bro, we had good data, man. And it's not. It's like, imagine going to the blackjack table and sticking in $10. You know what I mean? It's like, it's not like I'm not saying that it's just $10. It's a $100 trade technically, right? So technically, it's a little bit more or whatnot. But at the exact same time, guys, it's not like I'm doing like
a lot of back and forth, so gonna chill out and wait.
Right.
Just thinking 920 dip buy. Thinking a lot lower for a dip buy. I'm looking for 17,850 for a dip buy on NQ. Trying a couple of scalps.
Right there. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Get above that 50 level. Push this thing up above the limit here. Like 60. NQ overall, I want to see start getting above that point as well. NQ overall continues to take off and good. I like that it's here. I like that it's hitting on SPY. Let's see the rest of it. So traders, I might just let this thing rock out for a little bit. I got the stop loss set like we talked about already. We're in that little wedge right now, guys. Doesn't look like it's much movement. But if we can just get above those points there, especially with SPY starting to break that VWAP area, if we start to take off here on NQ, which I do think we can, if SPYs continue to take off, I think that'll drive this thing up with it, right? Same thing with NVDA here. NVDA breaks this little downtrend or whatever it got going on right here from right
Yep, patience.
Yeah, buddy, and then we will be good to go. So I'm loving it right here, guys. Above this level of 50, above this level, S&P 500 starting to take off. NQ overall, get above your VWAP here of 75. Get above that VWAP level. Hit me with it. Hit me with it so I can feel great. I'm not even going to look at NQ. NQ overall, get above that level, baby. Do it. So waiting and watching, traders. Waiting and watching, traders. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Hit us with it. Give us a trade. Getting above that VWAP level, now NQ can start taking off. Now NQ can start taking off above some of these levels, above 60, above 70. 280, 90, a hundo, baby. So I want to see this hold now. I want to see these highs hold out.
See, just waiting.
Woo! So feeling great now, traders. I want to see this thing continue to take off, rip and run on us. This thing continue to take off, rip and run on us, man. I love it. I love it, traders. I love it above these points, traders. Woo! So there we go, guys. Getting above 60 now, above 60 to 70. See if we can break 70 there. That's what I'm looking at. And then for some more to go. So I want to see it hold these highs. If NQ overall can break this point and it just touched it, basically 79 flat, it will. So now it's retracing, coming back up to it, guys. Here's the point in which I'm looking at. 79 flat. I want to see this basically take off, hit that 79 level, and then really start to rip and run. So green, there is no time and sales on this play, sadly. This one does not have a time and sales because they can't track the time and sales for 5 stocks at the same time. So I like it if it can hold up here, guys. I do like it. There it goes. Next candle for me. I like it. Give me above that 79 level. I know I said 77, but it's officially 79. There goes NQ. Above that level there. Oh, excuse me. It's 78.59. Okay. So basically 78.60. Getting above it. Traders, we're going to start taking off here. There it goes. Yup. Ladies and gentlemen, there you go, guys. Starting to break 70. Want to see it hold these highs and just continue to rip and run on you now. So now, traders, you guys can now adjust your stop losses wherever you want. I'm going to personally adjust mine. You can go into a trailing stop loss in the money here, but I'm going to do mine underneath this 9-day EMA. Looking forward to respecting 9 anytime it pulls back to it. If it does, hopefully we just break out to the point where we don't even got to worry about the 9. So we got to hold this high here above 70, 78, 60 there on NQ overall, and we should start to get that green coming in right there. Now starting to hold above. Let's see. I love it. Yep. Holding above here, I love it. Beautiful. Oh, closed right below, but I want to see it hold. There it goes, guys. Getting back above. So you got the two different personalities. You got Caesar just chilling out. He's like, bro, I already know the direction. I'm chilling. Then you got YB. Come on, traders. Come on, hype this thing up. It's like, Caesar's just chilling, man. Are you chilling out? Are you still in it?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, wait and watch on it. I would love to see it go red to green here on NQ overall above these said points of 78, basically 78.60. Get that green rip and run on me. Make me feel good. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. So that 975 flat point is the high on NQ. I do think it can break above that if it holds here, though. I do think it can break above that if it holds. Remember, again, guys, 2 micros, not a big size for me. Not that it's not a big size for me. Good. That is a very good position size on a trade that is not on my EMA strategy. So, feeling good on it. Like I said, hopefully you guys are feeling good, man. So starting to come up here, guys. Approaching his highs right now, ladies and gentlemen. Approaching 75. Above 70, 72. Let's see it break 75 and take off to 80. 80 and above, I feel good. I feel good above 75 as well, but 80 and above would even be better. Let's see. NQ overall above my point there. I love it. So what point is that? 78.60 essentially. I want to see it break that high. S&P 511 area. And then if we're looking at ES right here at 52. So they're all starting to break above here. There goes new highs coming in. Want to see it hold these highs now. Love it. Traders, ladies and gentlemen, traders, all the way up to 92 now, guys. So now just setting my stop and to take profit. I love it, though. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, bro, Caesar, bro. Woo!
Yeah.
I hope you're in this thing, man. I hope you are doing, I hope you're loving it.
Yo. Just entered short at 91. Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Yep.
Yeah, buddy.
Yep.
I'm just holding out.
91.
Holding it out. I don't want to hold too long here, traders. I do like the area in which we're at on NQ. I'm going to lock up half here.
Order filled.
Doing the good old Caesar tactic. And then let this thing run if it's going to go above and beyond. Wait and watch here. NQ overall got loaded up. S&P got loaded up. If that thing touches 1800, that's probably, 18,000. That'll probably be my exit area around. That's my ultimate TP here, is 1800. 18,000. I don't know why I keep saying 1800. So waiting and watching on it right there. There you go. 18,000 just hit, guys. You guys can take your profits here. This is a spot of taking that profit. If you guys have any runners, you can hold them out, obviously. Let those things work. So above 18,000, you could see some new... Wow. Like I said, guys, it's only 2 micros. So 2 micros. So above 511.50 there, above 18,000 here. I'm probably just going to adjust my stop loss. One thing you'll see here is that if this thing takes off, that 9-day EMA is going to continue to trail and continue to follow through there. So if this thing takes off above that level there, 18,000. Watching NQ overall starting to get back up there, guys. Hold on. NQ overall above that high. NQ overall breaking out new highs. New highs on NQ overall. Let's see NQ here. NQ approaching above 18,000. Traders, I love it.
Yes, sir. News comes out, we could pull back to 40. Got 13 minutes left.
Yeah, buddy. Volume picking up in this candle here, guys. Volume definitely picking up in this one. Again, just going to adjust my stop loss now even higher into the money. There we go. Want to see this thing take off above that 18,000 point? Excuse me. Yeah, 18. Okay, I got it right this time. All right. I keep saying 1,800, bro. Like NQ's 10 times smaller than it is. So what's helping this thing get up there, guys? Take a look at NVDA. If you guys have NQ overall loaded up on your charts, if you guys are trading on Thinkorswim,
NVIDIA popped.
yep. So it is getting up there. It's kind of helping it out a little bit here. You can look at all your big tech names though as well, like Tesla, Apple, big things like that, guys. And you can definitely see which ones are helping out, which ones are consistently high. But that's why I personally have NQ overall loaded up, just so I don't even have to look at them. Obviously, looking at NQ, you're looking at the top 100 tech companies. But if I look at NQ overall, I'm looking at the top 5. So of the top 5 100 at once. Which I still look at 100.
Yep, and so is Tesla. Tesla's back up over 184.
Yep. Is that a key level for Tesla? 184.
Yeah, for Tesla that's a key level. 184.12 is a key level on Tesla.
Okay.
If it holds above this, the next upside target would be 200.
Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. Okay. Dang, man. Remember Tesla back at $100?
Mm-hmm. Okay, rejection so far.
Still chilling out in the straight, guys. Holding out. Hopefully you guys are feeling good, feeling great. All of you fine folk, man. So yeah, let's go. Let's start up a little ticky-tack live here, guys. A little ticky-tack live. Sorry, that was sketch. I love that guy. Move my good old breakfast there.
Let's see. We're gonna dump.
There we go. Let me get situated here.
That's the word of
Let's
rejection.
get situated here, traders. All right. So how you feeling, Caesar? Feeling good about it?
Pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah, feeling pretty good today. Just, still hurt for missing the long.
Yeah.
You know,
I agree.
still good.
So a little bit of a pullback here to our 9-day EMAs. If we start to break these, could see the flip.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Stop
there it
filled.
goes. Filled me out there, guys. Officially out of that trade. Locked it up. 136 on just 2 micros. So look at that. So, oh dang, it literally wicked down, bro. Oh, that's so dumb. It wicked down, stopped me out of the trade, and now it's coming back up, bro. These sons of guns. Look at that thing. Oh, you're a dirty bug out there, NQ. I can't believe you just did that. It's alright, buddy. It's alright, NQ. So just held out 1 micro there, traders. Absolutely beautiful play, man. Gonna size back up to the normal half size or whatnot. Since it's a Friday, guys. Monday, Fridays, no matter what, and all earnings weeks. And this just sounds like crazy, but all earnings week, FOMC week, CPI data weeks, I usually take half my normal position size on that Monday, Tuesday, and then of course always Fridays because you're already, it's a Friday. Lock in days on the week, etc. So definitely don't be greedy there, traders. Yeah, buddy. There it goes. Starting to take back off above 18,000. Another entry. Not a long entry. But if you guys are holding out,
I don't think we have much. I don't see us having much upside. If anything, most is like 18,027.
Yep. So, I'll definitely with you guys there.
Yeah, we're already up 350 points on the day.
What's going on, TikTok traders? So yeah, we are chilling out right now, ladies and gentlemen. NQ overall is still pushing up. It's respecting that 9-day EMA. When that breaks the 9-day EMA, that is where you can start to look for some shorts. That's what I got going on as of right now. Now, YB, what are you looking for? I would look for a pullback back down to around, I'd say 18,080. Excuse me, 17,880 on NQ. Maybe 510, 50, maybe 510 on SPY. Right? So those levels right there, these are those key levels I would personally look for a pullback down to. You guys can also short the stock down to those levels as well, though. So there it goes, a little bit higher here. Respect that 9
Pop.
Yep.
No high
You
on
guys
the
are in,
day.
you guys are in. Shout out to you guys, man. Shout out to all of you traders still holding the place strong. Getting it going. So what do we catch on that? Let's see what we caught there. So we caught 40 points on one, and then we caught basically 30 points on the other. So that's good. That's good off market open. That's good. I knew that stop loss, guys. Why did I adjust my stop loss as well? This is one thing I was talking about yesterday with Caesar, is basically holding, having your stops too tight to where you get stopped out of your trades like this, right? You get stopped out of your trades, and then you're out of the trade, but it continues to move in the direction you knew it was going to move, right? So just kind of making that stop loss, not too tight is what I should say, right? Just not too tight. So you guys ever struggle with that? Just take that stop loss, and I know we do trailing stop losses here, guys. But with the trailing stop loss, don't keep it as tight. You know what I mean? Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
True.
So the good gamble off open works. No, I'm kidding, guys. That was a thought out trade. That was thought out, I swear. All right, Caesar can attest for that.
What is it?
I said that was a thought out trade, not a gamble off open, totally.
Oh yeah, no, 100%. 100%. It was a nice one.
Oh man. What's up, Scrooge? What's up, buddy? Hey, just wanted to shout out the money team. I hope you all crush it this week. Have a relaxing weekend.
Hey, just wanted to shout out.
Yeah, buddy. What is it? Ready Money Monday.
Yep.
Once again. Woo woo. Shout out to Scrooge, man. We are ready, man. We're here. We're here to battle. We're here, ready to get it going. So shout out to you, buddy. Hopefully you had a great week. Hopefully you're trading. It's going good, man. So yep. Here we go. So we're above 18,000 here on NQ traders. My personal thoughts is that we might see, like we're seeing right now, some sort of upper shadow, and some sort of profit taking to come in. So some sort of profit taking, and then a retracement back down to our EMAs, and or the equivalent would just be, S&P 510 levels. I would love. Below that, also 17,880 levels on NQ.
Let's see. Hold on back.
So, yeah, buddy. Spam that like
there we
ladies
go.
and gentlemen. Let's get this thing up to 500, baby. Woo!
Nice rejection so far.
So yeah, buddy.
Gotta wait.
Yep. Starting to come down a little bit here. I want to get 9. Oh yeah. Oh shoot. I'm still in coin, bro. Hold up. What's it doing? Oh, okay. All right. I might get out. I should have gotten out of coin already. I should have got on open. I should have had a sell order ready. I did not, though. So let's see. If we get back up to the price here, I'll put a sell order in right now. Not on here, but on my other brokerage for shares. At 232, I will sell out. That'll be my exit. That's basically my entry. So one good thing when you're holding shares in these plays traders is that unlike options, there's no theta or anything, guys. So like where I got in is where I got in. So I got filled around like 230, 250 areas. So I'll basically lose like 50 cents a share. I can try and hold, but we'll see. So yeah. So Coinbase, man. I mean, and one thing a lot of traders don't get is that when Bitcoin is pumping, Bitcoin is ripping and stuff. For some reason, traders like trading Coinbase with them, right? It's like, so you can always look at Bitcoin, see what it's doing, and basically the overall crypto market, and then take a look at Coinbase and see what it's doing. So let's actually take a look at Bitcoin. Bro, how'd you feel about that little dip there, Caesar?
Not too bad. I'm, looking for a deeper pullback. It's almost at that 1827 area.
On what is
So let's see. On what?
On Bitcoin.
Oh, that was to be expected, bro.
Yeah.
That was to be expected. It was to be expected after. It's like one of those like sell the news type of scenarios.
Right.
People thinking that Bitcoin was going to continue to 100,000. It's like, no, bro. It's like it'll go up, it'll make a new high, it'll pull back, create a higher low, and then repeat the process again. So the next time it runs up, it could probably go to 85,000 and then so forth. It's gonna take some time. It's gonna take some time.
No, yeah, I'm definitely with you on that. Yeah, I definitely, I think it will have another run up and stuff. But a lot of traders, man, they anytime they see that little dip,
Oh my God, Nvidia, jeez.
what is that? Video?
Nvidia, yeah, Nvidia's almost back to 900. It just made a high of 888.
Are we back in the market to where you can just buy Nvidia calls and hold them out all day and you'll be rich? Is that the market we're in now?
I mean, I don't know. We'll see how the day holds if Nvidia holds its gains because it's been running up in the daytime and then towards the end of the day it just flops.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, Nvidia, man, what was that? Like a month ago, start of 2024. Dude, buy Nvidia calls, let them rock. You would have made. I did not do that personally, but those gap up. Literally, look at that. That's so crazy. Oh my goodness. Yeah, because then it hit on earnings as well, and it gapped up another. Yeah, that's nuts, guys. That's nuts. If only I played earnings back then, let me tell you. So guys, Coinbase obviously not too bad of a play. Still making some sort of money off Coinbase. You know, and I did not play Apple. I spoke about Apple. I didn't mind Apple. My heart did say bearish for Apple, so I was wrong on
Here we
Apple.
go.
But I was able to play NQ off of the Apple earnings. So that's why it's like, oh, YB, how are you able to make money off of Apple? Well, I just played. I did not, bro. I was sitting here, dog, and I was not expecting the earnings to come out and NQ actually spike. I completely forgot that Apple was a massive in the
Mm-hmm.
So it's like when that hit, I was like, whoa. Like a little bit of my brokerage real quick.
There you go. Took a long.
Oh my
Oh,
goodness, Caesar!
golly,
Caesar, bro!
golly, yeah.
Oh, buddy! Give this guy's payday, bro.
Oh,
Oh my goodness. I don't know if you
oh, nice. What the fuck? Yo,
What?
bro,
What happened?
cut the shit.
What happened?
Bro, bro.
What happened?
Bro, yo. Oh my God, I'm so pissed right now. Oh, I'm so pissed right now.
What happened?
Bro, I added 3 minis at 1833 and this shit filled me at a wrong. Oh my God. Yo, I was up over $2,000 and it filled me at break even. Are you kidding me?
No. Oh, when you went to sell?
Yeah. Mother.
Oh my gosh, bro. That's yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's Apex for you. Man. That's straight at me, bro. Oh man, dog, that fucking
Oh, you
burned.
dirty.
Traders, yeah, man, that's so.
Oh. Oh. Hmm. Okay. All good. No worries. Let's regroup.
Yeah, buddy, you got
Bro, 1833 short.
I really thought no, bro, because okay, let's be honest, bro. That was better than if you added long by accident. All right, I thought you added by accident, like you fat fingered it and added like 3 minutes.
No,
That would have been way
nah. I
better.
was waiting. No, I was waiting to hit this. Dirty assholes.
All right, at least that. All right, so that's one optimistic point of view is that you didn't add by accident. But traders, man, that is.
I just got back in at 88.
Yep. I do see longs right there. They just hit off that 200-day.
Oh my God, they played me.
So traders, man. I hope you guys are all having an amazing amazing day. But yeah, that's something that Apex will do sometimes. I remember off of what was that, man? I think that was FOMC, not this one, but last one. They were just messing with my fills. Like, I got filled one time and I was up $200 the second I clicked the button. And I was like, oh, that's cool. But then when I went to sell, I was at break even like that. And I was like, bro, what? So they definitely are messing. They have their issues on volatile moves. I'll say that for sure, traders. They definitely have their issues. I don't know if Trader Big's actively trying to fix this, and or if it's on Apex's end. I don't know whose end it's on, more or less. But
it would be on trade. It would be on Trader Big's side.
Yeah. So as I say, I thought.
Yeah.
Apex is just a problem. They don't have any say or whatever in the fills technically. But
Yeah, they don't have. Yeah, they don't have no say or stuff like that. Yeah.
so.
Dirty minutes.
I know, dude. That would have been a payday, bro. Oh my gosh, dude. And you literally, bro.
Bro, like
1 second before the move out, you're like going long, and I look at the chart, boom, spikes up like 30, 40 points. I'm like, oh my goodness, bro. It's okay though, dude. We're coming back for it. Man, you're getting your pullback right here. It is traders down to your 510 area I was talking about. Right here comes in, and this is also the area of 950 on NQ, another potential dip buy. Hold resistance, new support, guys. So we're right around that area here.
yeah, if they can get under 940, it'll continue.
Yo, this guy Joe Fi, bro.
Moving stop loss to break even.
Here we go, yeah, buddy.
I'm gonna just take this.
Are you short?
Yeah, I re-entered at 988.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, I re-entered at 988.
Oh, this guy, dude, that's a bang right there, bro. What? This guy, it's like, oh man, damn it, dude. I only made $1,000 today off that. Damn it. You know what I mean? It's like the trouble.
There we go. We're going lower.
Brady, what's up, buddy? What's up, bro? Hope you're chilling out, man. Hope you're having a good day. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate it, man. But yeah, dude. Yeah, Joe, Caesar on a different level. We'll get there. Yo, bro, I mean, if you're up 2K and you sell a break even and then you make another 1,000 on a short, I mean, that's still a good day. I know you could be up, everyone's realistic version. And, everyone's its first world.
The hell with that.
But, yeah, right? It's like, I don't.
That's a hit.
Yeah.
That's a hit. That's a like, oh,
Yeah.
bro, like, why you do me like that?
Yeah, dude. I know. I'm definitely with you, man. So that was definitely a wild scenario. Right there it is, guys. Underneath that 950, right in below our 510, like I was saying, traders. Right there it is. Starting to come up here. I wanted to get a lower fill on this, and I still am looking for my EMAs. Pull back down to right around 17,900 would be beautiful. But as of right now, yeah, just waiting and watching, guys. Just waiting and watching. I do see some sort of shorts coming in. If it can't break above the 50 and the 9, as it's hitting both right now, though. That's good. Yeah, dude, yo, Joe Fi, dude, Joe Fi got the screenshot of me, dog. Yo, I don't know if he,
Oh, word.
He might check. This guy, dude. Listen, we get a little crazy over here, all right?
Wait, he got a screenshot of you?
Yo, yeah, dude, check it out.
Let me see. Let me check that out.
This guy. My reaction to the news.
If you were coming into this worried about something, right?
Yeah, right, dude. It's like, oh man.
Damn, bro. I thought like somebody just stole your money.
Yeah. Yeah, I was probably one of those moments like I probably grabbed the camera or something. I don't even know, dude. Fuck me. Flipping it up. I see it, Joe Fi, huh? Yo, Caesar, did you know his name's not actually Joe Fi?
Yeah, that's his screen was it like
Well, yeah, screen it.
the
Like, I mean,
yeah.
just to say Joe Fi though, apparently it's not Joe Fi. I don't think,
No.
I don't, I say, I'll forever say Joe Fi, Apparently, it's not how you say it.
I was pronouncing it Jaffe.
Jaffe, oh, yeah, that's it, yep, that one might be it too, I mean, one of them. You both say it wrong? Okay, well, listen here, buddy. It's like, all right.
I mean, he's welcome to correct.
Yeah, no, dude. No. He said that he finds it funny. So I'll forever say Joe Fly. It just stuck by now.
Yeah.
So long, man. It's just there. So traders chilling out at this given rate, guys, waiting on your pullback. If you guys are up on the day, feel confident, feel great, man. By the time of 11 a.m., if you guys, you see volume dying off, dwindling, and we're not in one direction or another, for me, Fridays, what I've noticed is that they tend to do one thing or another. They either are just going to make a directional move by usually 11 a.m. and then stick with it, or they kind of just chop around. There's no in between. It's not like we're going to get a large range of, like 5, let's say 512.50 down to like 5.7, 5.07. You know what I mean? It's just going to range in between. No, I'll do like a tighter range and just chop. Or it'll be some directional move, one direction or another, and just hold that out usually all day. So.
Yeah.
Buddy.
I think we can make our way all the way down.
Potential buy where you could buy in at these lows right here as well if you're taking a look here, right? We got view up.
No, it's going to be, yeah, at least for 900, we can get a pullback too. So, there we go, under 30.
We already have one bounce
There we go, 20. Okay.
See that 900 mark, I'd love it. Love to see that come in. That'd be equivalent, I feel like, of 509.18, 509.20 on SPY, 5133 on ES, and then like 1870 on NQ.
And then we got some profits.
Are you still short?
Yeah, but I just took some profits at 36, so I'll look to reach short again if we can stay under, as long as we stay under 18,000. I'm shorting. I think we can get a nice end of the day fade. But if this thing breaks under 17,900, I'm gonna go in.
I'm with you. Yeah, as of right now, I definitely see this thing. I definitely see some sort of retracement back to the top side, but it's all about the patience, guys. All about the patience there, traders. So right here it is. Let's get above these 7 points for your actual takeoff.
Yeah.
So as much as I see a little bit of double bottom here,
Just a minute, we break
there it is. The traders, YB, give
Yeah.
me 1 second. Ladies and gentlemen, I will BRB. Caesar, you can take it away, buddy. I will BRB.
Oh no, I'll be right back myself too.
Oh,
Hold on.
okay. It's all right.
Be right
Never
back.
mind.
BRB.
I'll wait till you're back. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are big chilling out right now, guys. We did see our little retracement down to our 509, basically 60. So, if you guys see my chart here, any of you traders out there, I'll just tell you guys where it's at. So, my low zone is off of that first wick on SPY. Go to the 1 minute chart. Go to the first bottom wick on SPY, lower shadow at 938. Right? Then go across the board. Make a little zone from that low all the way over. You'll see at 940. At 10:09, 10:09 was our last one 2 minutes ago. At this rate, 2 minutes ago now. And then we might be able to get a push back up somewhere in the middle, either 510.75 is my guess, or we're gonna make a head and shoulders pattern upwards of 511.25, guys. If we can get back up to those highs. If not, then that's okay. We will continue to sell off and hold the 9-day EMA. So that's it. It's like, okay, YB, so what are you trying to say? We're gonna go up and down? No, guys. Yes, literally, that's what I'm trying to say. Yes, but at the same point, we know where our spots of resistance are, and basically where we can potentially enter for short, and or you can get in long at these lows and try and run this thing up until you get to the short level. So just know where to take it. I have that basically 17,900 level marked out on NQ. I would love to see that thing come in and kind of start to hit a little bit more, right? So if that comes in, starts to hit a little bit more, YB's gonna be feeling great, right? Right? You guys, some of you guys don't relate if you're not in America. Actually, no, they have these over in America. Toaster strudels. You guys ever stick a toaster strudel in the oven? You pick it up, it's a little hot. You just take it out, of the toaster, and you pick it up. You're like, burn your finger a little bit. That's what this market's gonna be. If we get to that 900 level, it's gonna be a little hot. No, you have to pick it up with one of those little glove things. You guys know what I'm talking about? I don't know if Joe Fi does. He's over there in Dubai. Probably has a waitress do it. Right. play as a. No, I'm kidding. Bro. I don't even know. Bro's definitely sitting there just eating dinner or something right now. Like, yo, what did I do, dog? He's just like, yo, what the fuck? He's like, why these guys start coming for me, bro? It's like, yo. No, but yeah, ladies and gentlemen, just chilling out and waiting. Having a good one, man. Having a good one. Can't complain. Right here's a little pullback. We're getting down to that 200 day on multiple levels here. Right there it is. Touch of the 200 day coming in, guys. Could potentially see a long entry here. We hit you with that brand new funk. That dirty type of funk. So am waiting and watching right now, guys. That funk, hey, yo, party people in the motherfucking house. Bro, we had a cleaner this morning and she didn't throw away, and she threw away some of my soaps. They weren't even empty. Yeah, bro, yo. That's crazy, dog. Right,
Order
guys,
filled.
going long off that 200, basically low right there. Seeing if we can just get a little bit of a pop, rip, and run here, guys. Just waiting and watching. We're pushing through here on NQ overall as well. I do see a pop coming in at least up to that 50-day EMA. Seeing if we can flip the script to the top side there, guys. If not, my exit will actually be at that low candle right there. So, boop, right there at that low, guys. I have no issue with that. I love where we're at there. If we get a little bit of a green spikaroo here, we are good to go, man. So, one of those trades that just should take off in our direction if it's going to hit. Long side there above those points. We also have the EMAs approaching, but sometimes those EMAs on NQ won't hit because the 200 hit, view up, and 50-day hit there. You know, a view up, 50-day hit on NQ overall. So it's like sometimes they don't hit, sometimes they do though, and they're the last resort and they hit, and then it reverses off of that. So we're looking to see a red to green here on S&P 500, which should start to push this back up. I'm looking at, NQ to also get pushed back off of that push right there, guys. So right there it is, that low. I love it. I want to see this thing start to come back up here. Basically get back to my break-even point there. Above my break-even is good. Above that 9 days, great. And then I want to see it push up to that 50, start to break out, rip and run, guys. So again, nothing crazy on the day so far. Just chilling out, waiting and watching, man. I love the play that we're in. I love it. I think we got a good entry on this as well, near these bottoms. I think we push back up here, we are good to go. Just trying to get a little bit of our takeoff here. Looking for that 50-day EMA, basically right about here. So that 50-day EMA to come in. I want to see if we can take off up to it. So again, so you're starting to get your takeoff here, guys. Above that 9-day EMA, you guys are good to go. Above that 9-day EMA, you guys are good to go. Touching the 9 here. Want to see it break like butter. Want to see it break like butter on all these points, boys. Break it like butter, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, getting up there. I want to see it break. Break it like it's nothing, traders. Realistically, my thought process here, yes, if it breaks that 9-day EMA, you are going to go long side here. You are going to go top side. I'm looking for the point of basically 82 to break there on NQ overall. I do think if we break that 9, we're going to go higher than this point. I'm going to erase that. 82 is what I'm looking to break on NQ overall, guys. We're at 81.60, so I want to see that thing kind of come up here and, start to break. 82 starting to break, traders. 82, hold above 82, push 83. Hold above 82, push 83. That's 1,882. Looking for that to break. Start pushing 83, guys. That would basically be that 50 view up, okay? If not, stop the play. So there is no reason for it to go below that point if it is going to start going long here.
All right. I'm back.
Backing at it, all right.
All right. Nice close underneath.
Quick little long here, stab. Want to see that nice big lower shadow come in. Basically go red to green on this candle here. Red to green on this candle here makes me feel confident we can hit. So close to it. I got the point laid on my head right now, guys. Mop down.
You got long?
Yeah, buddy. I'm waiting, watching right right now. Just want to see this thing above that 9. Push up to basically 17,960 area. It's coming up. I love it. 17,960.
Let's see.
Looking for 60 to start. Looking for 60 to start here, traders. Love those points.
Let's see.
Like I said, guys, 60. That's it. I love it. Give me a little red. That little red right there. Flip the green.
You get over 50. If you get over 50, it's a wrap.
Yeah, buddy. Red to green candle on that, guys. Love it, love it, love it. Still looking for these highs here. Want to see green, green, green on that time in sales? Still waiting and watching, guys. Just waiting and watching, traders.
That 50-minute candle. That's very, very scary. Come on. Let's see. It's got a nice 15-minute volume candle. And I do see us at least going back under.
Hold these highs up, traders. Continue to take off ripping on us, guys. Continue to take off ripping on top side. Come on, baby. Get up there. Gotta get up there.
He said negative, homie. Oh, nice. Nice.
Those are issues that you can't just.
Right above that 950. That point right there, we're gonna mark it out. Get up there. Nah, little 200 touches. That's it, guys.
Okay.
Let's see, guys.
It's going under 900.
Yep.
Going under 900.
So what am I looking at?
It's going under.
I'm just waiting.
900. I mean, we could see a bounce at 882.
Yeah, that's actually. Yep.
We could see a bounce at 882 or the 850.
Oh man, I can see one right here at 900 as well. Just do on it.
I mean, 834 is not too far.
I don't want to.
But yeah, but at least 8.
I want to go to this trend. Trend is your friend there, guys. I don't like.
Yeah, trend is your friend. We've hit a wall, and again, if this 15-minute candle stays or closes below 17,940, we're gonna head back down. This market is super overbought.
Order filled.
On the 1 hour and 4 hour, and we did went to like what 20 points above the 1827 mark, and we literally dropped from that point 100 points, over 100 points, because high today 1850. This pullback brought us down to 17,903. So
Yep. So chilling out, waiting, watching right now, guys. Do you see this thing? If it can get above here, I mean, it's looking, has to hold above that 9-day EMA right there on the 1 minute. But if not, I will get out really quick. Just re-entered there, kind of taking a stab at it near the 900 level. We'll get out really quickly. If not, so down to 15. Want to see if we can hold this basically area. Starting to hold that 200-day EMA here on S&P 500. That's another reason why. So that's the equivalent on ES here of 134. So if holding 134, that right there's that 200-day EMA at the price of basically 530 levels. We'll see that hold red to green. Start to come back up, push up towards 910. That'll be like 945 there on S&P. I mean, excuse me, on NQ. So wait and watching, guys. Mark it out. Boom, baby. Let's see it come up. So, second that trend breaks, baby, it's going to start ripping. It's going to start rallying. It's going to start going nuts over the top side, boys. All right, we're going to have the best play of the entire day right here, guys. All right? All right, Tesco red to green on this candle right here. And you're gonna go sky's the limit, sky high, some may say. Okay. So generally though, I do see this coming back up. I feel like we're in a very tight consolidation range. I feel like that top side could be depending on what we do. Not looking that we're gonna go exit, get out. But off that little dip buy, like I said, VWAP dip buy right there, traders. Right at that 900 level, I do see a push coming in here. Right above the spot, right here, guys. This is it. That's what I'm looking at. Come on, baby. Start to take off here, NQ. Get up towards 40, above 40. You can start pushing, you know, all the way up. I gotta sell at 1800. So that'd be a beautiful sell. About, you know, about 80 points. So I want to see this thing start taking off top side here, guys. There you go. There's a little push coming in, boys. There's a little push coming in, boys. Get above that level there. See if you can get above 40 there. Above 40, up to 50. Above that level, start taking off. Starting to break that 9-day EMA. Start holding here. I want to see it hold these highs now, guys. And start really ripping and running. So break it like butter here on NQ overall. Starting to break it like butter. Hold up. Traders. Starting to get up there, traders. I love it, ladies and gentlemen. Upwards of that 40 level. Break it. Start taking off, guys. NQ overall starting to break its points here. Ladies and gentlemen, I love it. I love it. I want to see this thing hold up and hold out. Hold up and hold out, guys. Beautiful. So I don't want to see any upper shadows form. Just want to see it continue to rip and run. Breaking that 9-day does give me a little bit of confidence, but it has to hold above this 9-day EMA now. If not, I'll be looking for that.
Should got a massive rejection. Again.
Right off the 50, right?
So they rejected the 40. Nah, it rejected the 40 again. Oh, wow, what a miss.
See if we're going to come down reverse head and shoulders pattern right here. See what's going to happen. Back down to 509.
Nice. Entering short at 914. Looking for a break
Order
of
filled.
900. If it pops to 40 again, I'll add.
Yeah, I'm kind of with you on this one. I see that view up right there. I do see a play
You
down
go.
to 80, but underneath 80, there's not much room long side. So I wouldn't touch the downside there, traders. I would simply just look shorts. But you did get your pop there, but it's just fat rejection off that point. Big rejection right there,
Yeah.
guys.
Rejection. There we go. There we go. We're under 900. Come on. Keep it going. Boom. Under 900. My alert just went off at 898. Next target, possibly 850. But if you look at yesterday, wow. Yo, it could pull back all the way down to 17,808. 17,808. Ooh, okay. Let's try it. Let's try it. Yeah, we're looking at possibly another 100 points short. Okay.
Yeah, I have this 886 in between 900 to 886 levels right now. I think I personally will be working right now.
Another the 30. So I profit. Gonna look for another bounce, possibly to 930. Re-enter short.
Yup. So I should just be playing this 900 level. That's a smart move. As I know that area right there, but I did not.
Okay.
It's okay. If we get one more push, I see one more level, we can go long. We have our 200 days mocked out on NQ overall here. I want to see the long. longs come in on these.
Average 30.
Love for it to get one more rejection here. Pull back, jump roost. Do not start breaking out on me yet, bro. Do not be ridiculous.
And then we're looking for a pullback to 930 to go short. I already got my limit order.
Oh, you're looking for 930 to go short again?
Yep.
All right, yeah, buddy. I kind of like that area too. Yeah, I can definitely see another short coming in there. Oh man, what's it happen? Hit him. Okay, there you go.
Failed. 930 short. We're getting closer to the London close, so this could be that retracement.
Yeah, is that what you think this is? And then
Right.
a pop after.
And then a drop after. Yeah.
So coming up to this 50-day above that spot is what I'm looking for. It has yet to get above it, guys. Starting to touch it again, but at the exact same time, I mean, you just gotta be cautious. You gotta stay patient. You gotta stay cautious.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. Market said negative. So.
A little bit too much rejection for myself here. Just gotta stop.
Mhm.
Yeah, there is going to be, because I see 50-day, VWAP here.
Mhm. Yeah, keep a tight spot.
I do see shorters maybe touching this thing here, taking it away. We're hitting on every single one of the points about the same level. If they don't break, shorters will take this over. So starting to die off here.
Order filled.
Got filled short in this area, looking for a pullback back down. I just see rejection on literally every single point here. Actually, yeah, literally every single point here just got rejected. If they basically hold these lows here, keep rejecting here. I mean, yeah, more shorters definitely start taking this thing right here. So what's the level of maybe a YB? Where would I get out? Probably 900. You know, that makes sense here. Basically, S&P would have to break below this level. Actually, that's the bottom of my zone. I need to see that break on the spot. My stop loss would just have to be above that wick, guys. Yup, so stop loss.
Stop filled.
Just got filled right there. Yup, that's it. So stop just got filled right there, traders. I gotta wait. I'm waiting patiently now, guys. You know, you gotta live and you learn. Man. So held that 50-day, above that 50-day again here. All of these, but still rejection coming in there. My stops are really tight on all my plays. I hold my runners, but my stops are always super tight. So 1, 2, 3, yeah, that's another reason why. So I'm looking long, and it finally came in. But I got in my first long entry at 33. Where should I maybe put my stop originally? No, I couldn't have done that. Yeah. All these plays, I keep my stops super tight. I still see that rejection coming in the way if it gets underneath that 50-day EMA here. Spy rejected.
Oh, yeah.
All these points, they're rejected, but they just have to hold. NQ overall slowly pushing through.
Slowly for the London close. Yeah, 5 minute. I'm seeing like a head and shoulder forming on the 5 minute.
Yeah, I see that too. Yep. So right here should be this area around. Yeah, realistically, I should just wait. I'm just gonna wait. As much as I know this dump can come in, maybe. I know this dump can come in. Yeah, there it is.
Here we go. Be patient.
My EMAs aren't really setting up in multiple points here. They set up right there on NQ, but then when they hit, they they just took right back off. So that was a beautiful dip by there at 900 on NQ. I should have grabbed the first one there. I don't know why I didn't grab either of them.
Mm-hmm. No. There we go. Back under 30.
Order filled.
Lovely. Run it. 900, 900. Let's go. Eagles coming. It's coming, man. For retracement for the London close. Run it for.
Good. Also underneath this 200-day EMA on SPY though. If it rejects that 200-day EMA, aka holds that as support, that's gonna be coming right back down to it. Hold on, YB. Let's see it. Back underneath that level. It has to get back underneath that level. It's Friday. Nice. And NVDA helping out. NVDA helping out here. Love it. Love NVDA here. Love NQ overall here.
Yep.
Want to see S&P 500 underneath that 200 day though. He's really close to it. Has a little bit of upper shadow. Has to hit it. There you go. Sellers starting to take over. Want to see red on this time shows.
And then breakthrough. Setting up another alert at 17,900. See what it does when it comes back down there again. And or below.
Starting to break that 200 day. There it goes, guys. There it goes. Starting to break that 200 day across the board now. Love it. If we can hold these lows, I know we're good. Don't want to see a reverse head and shoulders. Just want to see it dump through, guys. Just want to see it sell off right through these lows here. Below 508.50 levels. Beautiful. Give me green to red here. Dump. Nice green to red. Starting to sell off. Want to see these lows hold now. Want to see these lows hold up. Downside. But if it can't, that's going to be that little. I see that as some sort of support level. Gotta be cautious. Can't get above that 200 day would be amazing. Can. Nice rejection off the 200 again on SPY. Coming right back down, traders. I love it. If it can keep holding below there, hold below, baby. Hold below, dump. Sellers take over. Really.
They're going to. Yep, still bearish. Yes, sir.
Oh, this guy's cooking, huh? Oh, there it goes, guys. There it goes. Downside starting to come in. You want to see that thing dump a Ruski underneath this level here of 911. Holds underneath, you're good to go. Want to see it come in on SPY again, down to those lows? It will start tanking. We haven't seen a clear move all day, a really good one. So this could be the first one of the day. Love it in between that level. Come on, SPY. SPY, don't do it. Don't do it. It has to hold these lows, man. Don't want to see a lower shadow. Want to see it dump a Ruski underneath these points, guys. Traders, come on, baby. Come on, SPY. Stay bearish here, baby. Stay bearish. Massive lower shadow. It has to be a bearish engulfing candle. Basically, I just need bearish to take over. I see red there. I just need red here, red here. Nah, they can't. Doesn't look like they can. I don't think they can here, guys.
Order filled.
Gonna have to exit on that one, traders. Gonna have to exit on that one. Nothing I can do about it. I see the longs coming in at the 900 level. There's not much I can do, guys. I'm waiting for one setup and one setup only at this given rate. That's going to be a dip down to 900 to see if I can get another long entry. That's about it. I mean, unless trying to just finding a break somehow, but as of right now, we're just sitting at consolidation. So I have one really good play off open, right? Obviously small size, 2 micros, but held that. You can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 small losses, but obviously small losses add up, right? So.
Mm-hmm.
That was some banging breakfast though, bro. What you got?
Yeah, we still got rejections up here and stuff like that, so it's still looking good. Still looking good to head down. We're getting closer to London close, so watch. Once London close, we'll probably unwind completely. Tesla is pulling back. Tesla about to get back under 180. Nvidia looks like a head and shoulder to 150 minutes.
Yeah, buddy. I just want somebody to take it away. You know what I mean? It's one of those days where I'm just like, yo, anybody can take it away. We are good to go.
Like, do your thing.
Yeah, buddy.
Mhm.
Up 20 points, taking half. Oh, I didn't even see these chats. Yo, Joe Fi, what is up, buddy? There we go, man. Shout out to Joe Fi Traders. Bro just banked, man. Taking half, up 50 points, stopped out for 35 points, dude. Give this guy a big round of applause, dog. Champagne popping in the chat. What's up, AK? Hope you're green P&L for the AR season. 200. Hold on. Large cap only, don't include small caps.
Oh,
50K. Good stuff, buddy. All right, I will. Caesar, take it away. I will BRB. I'll BRB traders.
Hey, yo, Trey. Time to get the party started all over again, baby. You know how we do. Everybody, come on.
Hustlers, ballers, all up in the house at the bar popping, working it out.
We like strictly pissy chicks sipping the yak in the club back and throwing it back.
We need riders, thugs, and scheme up in the cut, gangsters on the floor, throw it up.
We be ghetto celebrities in the VIP, blowing back to the green. That's how we do it.
Hustlers, ballers, all up in the house at the bar popping, working it out.
We like strictly pissy chicks sipping the yak in the club back and throwing it back.
We need riders, thugs, and scheme up in the cut, gangsters on the floor, throw it up.
We be ghetto celebrities in the VIP, blowing back to the green. That's how we do it.
We like if you can hit it all night long. We like if you can hit it all night long. We like if you can hit it all night long, all night long. We like if you can hit it all night long, all night long. We like if you can hit it all night long, all night long. We like if you can hit it all night long, all night long.
We like it. We love it. We need it. We eat it. You know how we do. We like it. We love it. We need it. We eat it.
We like Anxiety loves me like an enemy. No hiding when it comes for me, creeping up inside. You show your love and I fake it. You give your heart and I break it. This game's been played and lost too many times.
We're back, traders. We are back. We are back. We are back. All right, guys. So there's our range, man. The second I get back, I can easily see it. Top of our range, 510. Bottom of our range, 508.50. Right there it is. Little $1.50 range. A little U-shaped pattern starting to come in. Double bottom. I love it. I do see some sort of takeoff happening. Breakout here. Call me a genie. Call me a genie, guys. Call me a genie, guys. Call me a genie. Somebody say it. YB, you're a genie. Thank you. Appreciate that. Appreciate that, guys. Honestly. I see a U-shaped pattern coming in, guys, above this high. Thinking about entering in with, like, I'm just going to get in with, like,
Order filled.
I'm going to get in with 2 micros, guys. Why? I'm going to hold this one out for a little bit. Let this thing take off, rip and run. See how high we can get. 2 micros, not a big play at all. But, you know, once again, 2 micros add up if you, if you make 100 points. 100 points on 2 micros is almost like $500. So you basically eliminate this loss from the day, which would be beautiful. Get back to break even. Good to go. Call it a day. Good to go. Call it a day. Good to go. Call it a day. So absolutely no matter what, traders, my stop will be at my break even. That's it. My stop is at my break even. If this thing rips and runs all the way up to sky high until the point of above 18,000, I am not selling. I refuse to sell, guys. I'm not selling. All right, guys. So I want to see this thing break off, take off above these points here. I won't sell. I won't do it. All right. So absolutely no selling here. Above 85 here, above 90, absolutely not. Even above 18,000. Above 18,000 here. You can mark out a little zone here and whatnot if you want. What's my thought process here, YB? What's my thought process here? Above 80 here, continue to rip, run, break out here, top side. See if you break 820. See what happens here, guys. I don't want to sell. All right, you know what I'm going to do? I do not see this. VWAP holding up, though. Yeah. My stop is at my break-even, boys. That's it. Now it's a free trade. Now that you're in the money. You want to see it hold up above that VWAP level, though? Guys, I'm going to sit back, relax, hands are off the table. If it spikes here, it spikes here, guys. If it spikes here, it spikes here. That's one thing I'll say. If it takes off, it takes off. Hands are off the table. Just let it rock. No, don't even look at anything else, boys. Don't even look. I'm not even going to look at the chart. I'm not even going to look at the chart. I want to see it take off here. I'm not even going to look at the chart. So, guys, I'm not even going to focus on that over there. So, shout out to AK, though, ladies and gentlemen. 250K in the last year. This is literally this year, bro. I'm only 4 months in, 5 months in now. So bro's on pace to make $500,000 this year. Bro's on pace for a $500,000 year, man. Shout out to you, buddy. Shout out to you. Yeah. I got to short small caps. That's what we're trying to say here. Is YB, you could be on the same pace. Maybe instead of 250K, I make like 100K. I know. I'm aware, traders. I take a little peek over there once in a while, guys. I take a little peek over there once in a while. So absolutely just letting that thing chill out. Guys, if you guys want to do exactly what we're doing. So this year, wait, I'm up 140K, 5K on small caps. So this year you're already up 400K. Hey, AK, yo, buddy, do I have a business profit? No, I'm kidding, bro. That is awesome, dude. That is awesome, dog. I love to hear that. I love to see that, my friend. Holy crap. Already at 400K this year. I said 500K for the year. He's like, buddy, I'm already almost there. Champagne popping for AK. He said, buddy, I'm already almost there. He said, what are you talking about, bro? I love that, though, dude. Honestly. You know what? You should try sports gambling. Hear me out. Hear me out. You should try sports betting. DraftKings, you know, hear me out. New career coming in. I really will do that down the line. Yeah, bro, dude, I see guys, bro. I'm really good. Yeah, because you know sports. You went to college for that stuff, didn't you? Like sports marketing and or radio. You know sports, right? Myself, I never got into it because if you know what you're doing, you can definitely make a lot of money. Me, dude, I don't know jack, bro. Like, I barely watch. Maybe golf I know a little bit about, but I don't even know enough to definitely not enough to make a pretty decent profit or anything like that, man. So yeah, I know Sean O'Malley. Been covering sports since 2005, watching since 1990. Yeah, bro, so you got the insider info of just knowing, right? So, yeah. So, who's it, Sean O'Malley? Bro, he fired off a 7K, a 7K bet. No, I think it was 1,000 or 2,000. I think it was a couple days ago, and he made himself I think it was 7K off of it. Which is nuts, you know? So, like I said, guys, gonna let this thing rock till break even and/or rip and run to the sky's the limits. So, I should really just let my take profit in a while. That would probably be smart. And then let that take profit. So literally, no, I'm not gonna set. I'll set the take profit in, but I will. I'm just gonna put this out there now. I may adjust it. If that comes up and spikes up to it, hits it, good. Drake did that recently too and got paid out millions. Yeah, Drake, bro. Yeah, Drake's actually sponsored by Stake though. So Drake being sponsored by Stake, I'm pretty sure he's betting with the house money, and then he keeps commission on what he makes or something like that. Or he keeps profits of it's something like that. I don't know. Or maybe he bets with his real money. I don't know how that works. Because he won. I remember he was playing. He was sitting there hitting a hookah and playing blackjack or something like that. No, it wasn't blackjack. I think it was roulette. And he won 9 million. He was like, oh, that works. He was like, okay, that's a good. He's like, oh yeah, that's good. Okay, I'll take it. And he went. No, I think it was 3 million. It was 3 million on a hand of on roulette. Because he was like, oh wait, oh no, never mind, that's great. Everyone was like, bro, what? I was like, Drake, talk. He just won 3 million. You know, I'm like, I don't know. I know 3 million still matters to him. All right, I'm not saying that. You know, he's not Elon Musk now. All right. I mean, 3 million matters to Elon Musk too. I mean, let me put that out there. But yeah. So guys, like I said, just riding this play out, man. Just letting it rock. I'm not gonna touch it. If it wants to spike back up here, get above 9-day EMA, continue to rip. I'm fine with that. That's what I can see happening. Kind of just this play rocking out now. All right.
Stop filled.
Stop at break even essentially. Sorry, lost $2 stats. Sorry. So why YB? Why was that? Because I expect this pullback, rip. I just want to see where the pullback range is. Now that we're above that spot, I definitely expected some sort of rip or risky here coming in. But now you just have to wait and see, guys. I do see trend lines coming in, guys. Trend lines coming in. 50-day coming in. 50-day coming in. 50, 200, 50. 50 view up. We got 200, 200. We got to see what happens here, guys. I may not take any more trades on the day, guys. So the week's not terrible or anything like that. No, it definitely is one of my worst weeks, I'd say like that. Traders, but you know, I'm not really in the mood or looking. I mean, it depends on what it presents itself. So I do like the EMA strategy here, down at this low, but it's also not presenting itself in SPY. So we're actually ranging in between the VWAP and the 200 instead of the VWAP and the 200 online, right? So, and that's for a lot of these plays here, guys. So I think around 11, maybe we'll start to get some more action. Want to get to that level? Yeah, bro. Hey, that's what we're all aiming, right? We're all getting. So is Caesar in the building, or did Caesar walk away? I just realized that. I'm like, oh, Caesar cannot hear me talk this entire time. I forgot about that. Yo, you here?
Oh.
Yo, I was talking, bro. I was talking to the AK and stuff like that and everything.
Yes.
I'm like, yo, is Caesar been going too? And I'm like, oh, wait, I'm muted, bro. I'm like, oh, shit. Yeah, all right. We're back. We are back. All right.
Yeah.
So we're good to go. How you doing, man?
Yeah, well, looking pretty good. Looking, took a short, got stopped out, re-added. Looking for this to head back down to 900. Yeah, there we go.
Getting that low, I love it, dude. I'm with you. I want to see 900 as well, especially if we break this 200-day again, man. I definitely think we could get a fat pullback here, man. Especially S&P, that 200-day on S&P and ES. If we get another dip down to that range, yeah, I agree.
Yeah, this time if it gets under 900, we could definitely see that further slide.
Yeah.
7 minutes, 8 minutes before London close. Yeah, it's gonna
I would love a
come
fat
in.
pullback here, though. 100%.
Yeah, come on. Yeah, it's gonna slide.
There we go. Nice, nice, nice.
There we go.
So somehow, bro, he's racking up, man. So we are chilling out. Guys, it only takes one big win, man. One big win here. Here we go. I should catch one like 50-point move. We'll be good to go.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, buddy, that's all I need, man. Well, actually, no, technically, I'm trying to chill out, not be focused on catching one big 50-point move, base hits, but
Yep. Yeah, base hits that up. Base hits that up. Mm. Come on, keep it going. We're under 940. We need to stay underneath this limit.
there we go. I love it, I
Oh.
love it, I love it. I do see it coming back down here. I do like that a lot. That is beautiful. I would love to see it back in between that range, that 200 and view up. There we go. I love that. Love that. 200 view up is tight at 900 though. So it's at 910 and then 900 is the 50-day. I think we get a dip down to there. If S&P, you dirty bugger, get down to your lows, boy. I want to like, just do something, bro. Get that dumper rooski, man. So it is Friday. Volume actually is still holding pretty well for Friday, I will say.
Mhm.
Yep, so definitely no complaints on my end here. So, guys, I am going out to the Baltimore area today. Yep.
Oh, nice. You gonna look at the bridge?
Yeah.
See what your tax dollars is about to go into?
Wait, what'd you say? Oh my gosh, the bridge.
I said, see what our tax dollars is about to go into?
Yo, dude, I'm not. Yeah, I'm not even. I'm going nowhere near bridges in that area. Let me put that out there, okay? Why be staying far away from bridges? Not only just that, but I'm going to play some top golf out there. I seen you golfing yesterday, eh? You in a little golf sesh?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, like, I played it, man. Yo, it's crazy because I used to think golf was just like an old man's game or whatever, but like, yo, it's the money game, bro.
Yeah.
And I really enjoyed it. I gotta work on my drive.
Yeah.
Like once I'm in the green, like I'm good. Like I can, yo, like in the green, I perform really well. But it's just my drive. Like, yeah, I'm lacking on the drive part, but I'm gonna work that out, man. Once I get my drive down, it's a wrap.
Yeah, buddy.
But like, yo, YB, man, to the Peachy Club, bro. Let's get a game.
Yeah, dude, I'm so down, bro. Dude, I love it. So I just switched over to another I guess club or whatnot yesterday. Not country club, but like just golf course in general. Because I like the driving range a little better. So yeah, dude, 100%, man. And that's really what it is. I like the driving range better and the course is a little bit nicer and everything like that. But what is it? Yeah, I personally, that was my big thing too, bro. Was just driving, bro. Because like you know, they say anyone can drive the ball like 300 yards, but it's like if you can do it straight, it's like if you can do it straight and do it like 100 yards, bro, 200 yards, like you're good. And then you follow up like you're saying on the green, on the fairway, right? It's like on both.
Yeah. Nah, it's not anyone can do that. Because like the first few times, well, the first time I played it, bro, I played it actually. I'm left-handed, so I played it with right-handed clubs, a whole 18-hole game.
Oh, you played 18?
And
Oh, you're
every
crazy.
time, yeah, bro, yeah, I played a whole 18-hole game, bro. Like, and I did and I was doing really well. And again, I'm playing with right-handed clubs, and I'm left-handed. It was fun. But yeah, but every time I go for the drive, bro, like it would literally go far left, or like it would just curve, like I was literally curving it like back up, and I'm just like, damn, like I gotta get this straight away because I get it in the air, but it's just like it starts going and it curves over. Damn.
Yeah,
Hit
bro.
a couple houses, hit a couple roofs and stuff.
Yup.
So yeah.
Keep your little slice going. I got you.
Mhm.
Oh yeah, dude. That's what happens, man. And once you figure out that slice, I've been working on it myself, dude. Because I don't slice crazy anymore. It's just a fact of either picking up on that ball a little bit more, getting it a little bit more in the air, and or it may slice. You know, it's one of the other. There's no between, right? It's either a really good shot or just tough. Yeah, one of those. So yeah, just been working on that. And definitely my irons as well, man. Irons are a tedious game to play. Play with your irons.
Yeah.
Very tedious game when you're on the fairway trying to figure out which iron to hit. But all right, I'm about 150 yards. Okay, realistically, you're supposed to hit your 9 here, but can I hit my 9 150 yards is the question. It's like, all right, well, let's see what pro does. It's like whatever pro does, minus 50 to 100 yards.
Yeah.
Chilling out. We are getting that sell-off. I would love to see this crack right here. Again, another 200 touch on Spy. Spy prop saying 200 touch coming in. Yeah, buddy. I would love to see this crack.
It's gonna crack. Come on.
Headed out to my lobby. Have a great weekend, boss. You too, AK. Take it easy, brother. Have a good one, man.
Later.
Yeah, buddy. So we are right there. It has been a very slow day on Spy, I will say. We had that nice morning push or whatnot. Morning open push or whatnot, but for sure.
2 minutes for the London close. Come on.
So I'm hoping that after 11 a.m. we get some sort of move one way or another, right? So just direction starts to pick up.
Yeah. Yeah, what Yep, there we go. 28. Break under. Break under. Come on. Minute to go.
So London session closed, coming out. Come in here, boys. There we go. What's your short price at? What are you short at?
I'm short at 61 when I added. So my cost average is 61.
Nice.
Let's see.
Like I said, guys, just looking at these points right here, looking for them to come in. Not a bad spot of interest myself.
45 bounce or 8 bounce wouldn't be bad, to be honest. Let's see.
Want to see 509 touch on Spy. Basically, I want to see 17,900 and then 509. Those two areas would be beautiful. And then maybe for a little bit of a long entry or just going to crack, then start cracking. Let me get in on it. Short side, catch a 100-point move, call it a day, go play golf. All right. Imagine just a 100-point crack. I mean, dude, it's happened. It's definitely happened. Definitely happened before. It's not what I'm looking for. Well, not what I'm looking for, but. So yes, traders, man, just slowing down the pace, man. I probably shouldn't be taking as many trades as I do. So I've taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades today. That's crazy. So when was my best win percentage? When was my best win rate? When I was, basically taking around 2 to 3 trades a day, maybe at max. But I would trade from basically the same exact time, from now till about 11 to 12. I'd take maybe 3 trades, right? The best opportunities would present themselves, and then I would take a trade. How you doing on the day? Not too bad, not around 600. So nothing too crazy, but it can definitely be better. This week has been. Yeah, bro said he wasn't going to trade today. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have traded today. I probably should have just walked away and not taken any trades. Yeah. But I do see an opportunity presenting itself for sure in the market right now. Anyways, let's check up on a couple things here. Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin just took off. Just seen that now.
Right.
Alright, guys. Selling out of Coinbase finally. It doesn't look like it's going to come back up, so I'm going to get out of this position. I'll make these.
London close. Let's see. Looking like. Let's see. Looking good. Looking good.
DCA myself into some more of EJT here, guys. I know I'm DCAing in a rather high price here. So now my cost to average is now $41.94 a share. So just holding that out until the election time. So just keep DCAing, man. DCAing, please. So I'm looking for a little bit of a Dumperooski. Right there it is. Our London session close happened. There we go. Getting our Dumperooski here a little bit more here. I love it. If we catch from 900 up to like 980, that's
Going. Yeah, if this breaks 900, we could definitely get that slide.
509 did kind of hit. I don't want to see that reverse right now. I want to see it continue to sell off, guys. Do not want to see that reversal coming. I want to see that basically continue to slide to the downside. And if we are truly sliding, I'm going to have patience when it hits these EMAs. So the only thing, Caesar, that I see so far is 905 and basically 910 are those areas of support on NQ with the the VWAP and 200. But we already hit that point. The rest of these points are looking very bearish in a way. Depends on what hits. So just waiting and watching. Getting right down to it here, boys. Caesar, I know you're feeling good, man. Oh, right down to that point. Do not do it yet. Do not do it yet. Do not do it yet. No, don't you dare. Not yet, dude. Making my first entry here, coming up. I would love to see this reject this area right here. I would love to see this rejection come in. Oh no. Reject. Yes, nice. I want to see this start to come back down if it can, start to fall back below 509 would be beautiful. So I think I'm a DCA in. I don't want to DCA in around 36, about 40 point swing. Nah, actually, hold on.
Order filled.
Alright, traders, I got a DCA in here just in case. What do I mean by that? Do I still want it to go lower? Yes. Do I still expect it to go lower? We have to see here. We just bounced off an area that bounced multiple times. I got in 3 micros. DCAing in with 3 here. If it comes a little lower, I'm just gonna exit. This is just in case. Right? I'm not even gonna DC. I'm just gonna exit and then re-enter at that low. Because I do see this thing coming back up to the 60 levels at least. It could push up all the way to 80, above that, all the way up to 1800, 1820 levels. Off the 30s. You That's what I see on NQ overall as well, guys. Right there's your kind of support level. If it breaks above this, you get one of these. That's to break above that point right there to continue to take off on you. So without even looking at NQ, I can tell that this right here matters. So if we hold, we're good. If not, we may sell back off. All right, guys. Thinking about exiting this trade. I'm gonna exit this trade.
Order filled.
Realistically, just gonna wait for that pullback. I know I keep taking these little small trades, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 6 small losses add up, man. Right? So I don't like the risk to reward ratio on the day already. Not that it's that terrible or anything. It's small losses compared to one big win. You know. Tweetcaster intriguing. How we're looking for EMA strat? EMA strat setup. It just has to get down there. That is going to be my last trade. I have one more trade planned out on the day. And if it doesn't hit, it doesn't hit. I'll walk away with the loss on the chin, and I'll walk away. Absolutely no issue. Absolutely no problem with that, guys. Down 600 off of, you know, slow consolidation chop. I shouldn't have been trading at all. Shouldn't have been trading any of this. And I will continue to learn and lose until I get that through my head, right? So 1,000,000%, guys. Same thing with FOMC. Same thing with Tuesday. Every single time I basically trade chop like this, obviously that is not the strategy, so you're never going to win, right? The universe is not going to feed you your bad habits, right? So if you wait, you have patience, you will win. That's why all of April, all of January, all of February, all of March, it was good because I had patience. We're coming into this month. Here it goes, guys. So right here, you need to see this thing basically take back off here. So you might be able to get an order entry right here at 907, basically 900.
There we go. Under 900. Boom. Breaking.
If it breaks here, you guys
900 breaking. Voila. Voila. Very little thought. Oh.
Order filled.
I might take 10 underneath 900 there, but actually no, we'll just stop this. Basically, you up dip by there.
Oh, Tesla dumping. Tesla dumping. Come on, can we get another reject of 40? Setting another.
Basically,
It looks like it's just gonna go.
Right there it is.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Yeah.
It will start selling off, and I'll be in at a low.
Mm.
Basically, I put it right below that last one because it should not have that low hit if it's going to continue to take off here to the top side. So yeah. Right there's that 200-day touch. I do like that. I do like that. I do think that can hit if it's going to come back up right here, guys. That's it. Would have to come back up. I do like that low, beautiful low, but would have to come back up. It is starting to come back up here, beautiful. See that start to go green, start to flip the green. Give me some energy on the play. Give me some energy on that play. Give me some enthusiasm, man. Give me some enthusiasm here. Give me some energy on the play, baby. So basically just that view up, dip by, 200 dip by, 200 dip by, view up, 200 view up. Has to hold up here and start to go green. If not, I mean, let's just see before we say anything. Let's just see before we talk about stuff. Let's just see.
Go lower. Where you going long, YB?
Yeah, just off the 200 in the view up here. Just that dip by. It happened before once. This is only our second time seeing it all day. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait. I'm just waiting and watch and see if that can actually take back off above our 940 level, and then just kind of start hitting from there, I guess 940 might be TP on that level as well. So it really depends. Right here, we're at that 200 day. If we break down from here, that's where you would, I'm gonna be cautious, but. Need to see green on the sales, so
be cautious because the previous 15-minute candle was a bearish engulfing on the 15, and once we crack 900 or we get a solid close under 900, we'll go lower. But let's see.
509 does make me feel a little confident, but it has to hold. That's it. Above 509 traders. That's what I'm looking for on S&P 500. 900 there on NQ. Wait and watch it, guys. So we'll see that green come in if it can. We're realistically looking for YB probably like 940. That's really it. I mean, nothing crazy. That's like 509.50 on SPY. So not a like massive move. Like massive move comes, like that's what's up. But you have to have realistic take profit in sight of the 940 level, I'd say, around. If this thing's gonna get back up there.
Finish now the white bits. Oh. Come on. See if we have any question. Tesla, Nvidia dumping, bro. We're gonna go lower. Be careful if you're long.
Yeah, I have a stop set at 891. Another 200 touch on NVDA. If that holds, that's the area. S&P 500 holding up here. It just has to hold. If not, this is it right here. It has to hold right here. Has to hold right here. That's it. Yep. Break that 9-day EMA across the board, and then you can start to take off. Above these points, I love it.
Nice, nice.
So 9-day EMA across the board, start to take off. Getting up to it, getting up to it. Little push in that lad. Little push in that lad. Come on, baby. Give me a little something, something. See a little bit of red, but I want to see that green start flashing coming in. Here we go. Try and get in there. Starting to break that 9-day EMA across the board. So just that 200-day on NVIDIA holding it up. If I look at Tesla here, I don't have my... Oh, I do have my EMAs up. I want to see Tesla just hold the bottom back here. And then Apple. So I know that Apple definitely now affects NQ a lot after yesterday's earnings. I see that. You can take a look at all those points and get your valuation there. So if it holds above this 9, can push up to 30, what is that, 33 area? Yeah, 33, 34.
There you go.
Buddy, there we go.
Very nice.
Above the spot of 7860 essentially. So S&P coming up to its 200. I want to see it break it. 200 top side. 9-day right up to that spot of 7860. If it breaks these highs, we could see something happen here. Getting in that 250 range, 250 range, breaks all of these highs. Take a wait and watch, it's starting to break them there. 250-day, holding up. And through a wall, hit that high, want to see it hold, you can. Apple, its own mind. S&P coming with it though. For sure don't want to be greedy or whatnot here and not take any profit. Was looking for that 32 level to come in. I do just got to be a little bit cautious with S&P 500. It's still holding up there though. green still coming in on time and tails, coming back up for some more almost. NQ overall coming back up there. Apple really taking back off to the top side there. If it breaks that view up, Apple could rip one back up to those highs. So got that labeled out here, got that lined out.
Oh, nice pop.
There it goes, starting to take back off. Look at the rest of these plays. Let's see why here. Taking a look at S&P and Q. Right there it was. Right there's 32 that just hit. If it breaks that point, that's where you can continue to hold this play out. I want to see it break 32. So right at 30, right up at 30, 31, 32, starting to break. I want to see it break above that point, 33, 34. Come on, baby. Start to take off now on me. Start to get above that point. Start to get above that little 35 area. They're starting to get above 35. I'm starting to love it, traders. I'm starting to love it. Above 40, you can really start to see this thing get back up there and continue to take off. So I want to see it get above 40 here, 35 area. Especially hold out here on SPY up to that VWAP. So it's room to go. Starting to go here on all these plays. Want to see Apple continue to follow through. NQ overall getting above its point there of that is 70, 78, 59. Want to see it continue to hold above that beautiful play. Rip and run.
Let's see. Have a good weekend. Okay, thought I was on mute. Oh.
Taking a look at Nvidia and overall, they're right there. There it goes. Starting to flip to the green side. Take a look at S&P as well. Right there it goes, guys. Let's see. Overall goes red to green here. Above that 78.59 level, basically 79.60. Get above there. I want to see it get above 35 if you can. 31. Looking up here. Not going to be too greedy here. Don't want to be too greedy. Apple. Want to see Apple start to come back up. Apple respecting that 200 day. Apple respecting that 200 day starting to come back up. And Q there as well. Sure, looking for
Rejecting the 40. Rejecting the 40. Let's see.
Break right there, traders. Overall, looks like we're back up to 78, 78, 30 here, traders. It's right there at that 50. If it breaks the 50 topside, you're good, man. No, coming back down 27. It's right there. Buyers, you need to swing in, take it away.
Order filled.
Sold 2 holding 3 here, traders. Sold 2 holding 3. Just touched that 9-day. Think that's going to be any support here. A little bit of a dip here. Dip by there at
Okay, check that out. You get 40.
Apple can break you out. It's like 184.60. It may just start improving. Also, NVDA with some support coming in this trend. Right at that 9-day EMA, all these plays are. Looking at maybe locking some of this out as well. Maybe get a re-entry. Just gotta wait and see here on this 9.
Still rejecting that. Just playing.
Yeah, it has been respecting that 50-day all day. So when it gets above it, I think I'm just gonna be honest. I think buyers will start to step in and take this thing over here, due to the fact of the hype starting to come back in on the play. and then it could push all the way back up to the 1800 level. That's my next spot. I'm gonna look at 60 first though. So above 40 here, start to break that 50-day EMA. Right there it is. I want to see S&P 500 get up to its VWAP then, and then above the VWAP for long. So that'll be the first time basically all day since he opened, since it got below it, to actually hold above it. So I love it if it can. Up to 40 now, beautiful play. Want to see this thing hold out. There it goes. So now long starting to come in off of those basically 200-day EMAs. Apple gets above VWAP here. It start taking off, guys. Apple above VWAP for the next takeoff, rip and run. So rest of these plays are still helping, but if Apple comes, it'll really help it out as well. So like the stock's already going up, etc. But if Apple gets above the VWAP, that'll dramatically help it out. So Tesla starting to flip the script finally as well. So Apple's the last one to go. I can't actually, no, that's not true. NVDA also has to go. So both of those plays above this 50-day EMA. Gotta have patience, guys. Patience pays, baby. Patience pays. Patience. I really wish I could load up that level 2. Oh, metagame as well. Okay, so I have all these texts up basically. Above 40 again makes me feel confident, especially if we get some sort of close near 40, 35. There we go. Break that high. Reverse trap pattern is what I always say. If it breaks this level here of 7860 traders on NQ overall, that is what I'm looking for. NQ overall 3860 with Tesla running up. NVDA kind of helping out as well. NVIDIA really helping out now, pushing the pace. Love it. If I can get a little bit of a reversal on Apple, I think the rest of these techs will, NQ will start to really push the grain here. It's also following the spot. Put that out there. Just take off, move that down there. Getting up there, it did just break 7860, our level. Has to hold above now, guys. Has to hold above. If not, right here it could be. So it has to hold above the next potential entry there.
Shaking that onion.
So honestly, at this given rate, just gonna put a fat trailing stop loss in. Yep. So just gonna put a fat trailing stop loss in and let this thing rock. So it should not go below that point. It's still going up at any given rate. I have all these techs laid out. Beautiful spot. Tesla continuing to run. Apple just bottomed out at 184 levels. Like we were talking about that. What is it? No, Tesla was talking about 180, right?
Yeah, 184.
Taking a look at all of them. Really just watching NVDA above that VWAP though. For a pop, rip and run. Let's see if they can get it. So where do I think we can go today? I think if we honestly hold some of these highs, we can push back up to that 1800 level. Only time will tell. That'll be the equivalent on SPY though of basically 511.50. So we've been in a little bit of a range all day. Like I said, it's crazy that I said that. What is it? Basically, this is exactly what I was thinking. Either Fridays have a massive breakout of sorts and/or a very tight consolidation. This isn't super duper tight, but this is semi-tight. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I think it's a little tighter than usual. Starting to get up there, guys. Above 40 for some more longs here. Doing great. NQ looking off the first candle and open. Yeah. Yep. Be done later, buddy. Hey, take it easy there, Joe Fi. Have a good one, buddy. So looking for it to come up here, looking for it to break that 40 level, seeing what we got going on, seeing what's going to happen here. If it can break 40, I know we can get above it, but I don't want to see it continue to not be able to break it. So I already have the trailing stop loss in, we're good to go, but holding above the 50-day does make me feel good. We're inching higher, basically a higher low pattern, no breakout, like a banana squeeze. Caesar's probably like, damn, YB, talk fast right now, buddy.
What? Hey, you gotta be quick. You gotta be quick.
You should have heard me. I think it was like 2 days ago during CPI data. Oh my goodness, bro. Sound like an auctioneer. Yo, chill out, guys. You're chilling out. Yeah, one thing I'll say, traders, for myself, man, just really utilizing the EMA strategy. So every single time I take a trade off this EMA strategy, it hits. I'm not gonna I'm not trying to be cocky when I say that, traders. But what I mean is when I don't. So I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades today. And this is my second green one out of the 7. So, I need to have that patience to wait. Caesar, we were talking about that a little bit yesterday as well. Just having the patience to wait for these trades, wait for these to develop and stuff. Because the strategy is here all at once. strategy can be there. Look at this, guys. Could start to take off here. The strategy can be there 10 times out of 10, but if you're not waiting for it to set up, you know, and you're constantly taking trades, you know, how do you expect to succeed, right? You might as well go to the casino and just play 10-handed blackjack, you know? It's like, you know, because you don't have a proper setup, you don't have a proper, you know, analysis. If you have a proper setup and analysis, go for it, take that trade. But if not, I don't think any of us should really be taking those trades. So if you have a setup and it doesn't set itself up all the time, but you know it'll hit when it does, wait for that setup, guys. Wait for that setup. I hope I'm not preaching to the choir. Well, hopefully I'm preaching to the choir, actually. There we go, guys. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Above that spot on NQ overall, Apple pushing, Tesla pushing above its 50-day. All these plays now, tech companies now pushing. I love it. Love it now, guys. So now you can see up to 60, above 60, up to 80. Above this view up is the spot to see here on SPY. Above the view up on ES, getting above that view up now, and ES has to hold above there. Want to see all these plays hold. Want to see basically the 50-point hold above. So we're getting right back up to 50, holds above 50. There we go. Let's see it, baby. Let me see 51. Let me see 51. Seeing 50. Let's see 51 come in. So close to it. Oh, it did touch 52 technically. I love that SPY is still holding up here. NQ overall has to break that VWAP level, and we could get our takeout and our rip and run, guys. There it goes, getting up there, guys. 51 now starting to flash on the chart there. Start getting the takeoff, your rip and run. This rate I could see 980 coming in. We gotta wait and watch. So wait and watch on S&P 500 here. Above, oh, finally above that VWAP here on Apple. That's beautiful. Above that view up now on Apple. Let's see if Apple buyers they wanna take this thing off a little bit here, huh? So, yo, what is it? Question there, Caesar. If I bought myself like 1 million shares of Apple, would that push NQ up, right?
If you bought 1 million shares of Apple,
Like
yeah,
crazy
probably maybe. I don't know if 1 million would push it, but possibly.
Right, because I was thinking that technically, could you do some sort of like, you know what I'm saying? Just really quickly buy like a fuck ton of Apple.
Nah, I mean, Apple's market cap is too big. I mean, it would have to be in the hundreds of million. Yeah.
Well, if you have $100 million, any of you traders out there, feel free to drop it in here. 11:30.
Go buy. Go buy Apple. Yeah. Yeah, because Apple's like a $2 trillion company, so you would need in the billions for you to move it.
Really? Yeah. Okay.
At least, yeah, at least in the 100 mil, at least like 500 mil or more.
Hey, there's probably, I don't know about, you know, I'm not gonna say nobody on TradeCaster yet. There's probably some that have popped by or something, but there it goes, starting to push above 50 here, guys. But yeah, dude, I'm sure there's definitely some manipulation on like Wall Street with those big firms that do stuff like that. There's no doubt. You know what I mean? I mean, obviously, wouldn't the SEC be on your?
Oh yeah, bro. I mean, you ever seen billion? You ever seen a few billion? That is the most accurate depiction of the hedge fund world and the financial markets. And believe me when I tell you, hedge funds and institutions, they pay millions of dollars a year to get information before everyone else.
Really?
Anyone that says it's not, yeah, bro, they do.
I believe it. I mean, you know, you're paying millions of dollars, but then you can put tens of millions of dollars in to make that. You know what I mean? So, I mean, I guess we're getting a good ROI. But yeah.
Oh, absolutely, they're getting an amazing ROI.
It's so crazy to think about how much manipulation on a daily basis really does go on in the market. But, you know, especially some of these blue chips, like these blue chip companies, man, it can happen. I'm sure it's a little bit more regulated, like OTC stocks, but still, you know, after the whole George Belfort thing, I'm sure they got a little bit more regulated there. I'm sure people like maybe not.
Nah, OTC is still not really regulated like that. And you have the pink sheet. Nah, bro.
Well, 60 new traders. I love this, man. I love this, guys. So what were we able to do above this view up spot here is the spot to beat here on S&P 500. This area right here above 60 is the spot to beat on S&P 500. So coming right up to it, break it like butter. If you break your view up like butter, we are going to soar right now, traders. So coming right back up to it, starting to break that view up area right there. View up is the price of 510.12. Coming right up to it, traders. 510.06. I'm actually going to load for level 2 here just so I can watch that. I want to see that flash get up there. 510.09, 510.12. Doesn't even look like it's stacked on the bid or the ask there. So I do like it. Doesn't look like it's stacked. Got up to 11 there. Got up to 11 now. 11 again. Watching the ask right now on the time, on the level 2, guys. Coming right back up to 11. Now 11 flashing 12. Right at 12. 14 starting to break above now, traders. Starting to break above that spot. Now holding above. Let's see if it holds above that view op area. Want to see the top. Level 2 there at 14, 15, 16 with a flag. So holding above 5, 10, 12 is the area to beat. I want to see it go up, start ripping and running above those set points. 15 now flashing. An extra penny higher. Penny a day keeps the doctor away. I don't know if that's true or not, but there you go. Traders, I love to see it, man. Look at that thing. Apple starting to get up there. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, above your view up areas now. Guys, can start to really rip and rally now, ladies and gentlemen. I love it. 510.38, I think's that high. If I bring up my data box, I love it now. Up to 970 now. 970 above. I did already lock out half. Wow, I locked out half way further down there, bro. That's crazy. That's probably held that. It's okay. It's okay. I locked out 2 micros. I'm in 5. There it goes, guys. Getting up there. Holding above this view up is beautiful. Really start to get your rip and run here. Just waiting and watching. Traders! There we go, baby. Apple continuing to push. If Apple breaks the high point of 185, actually I have flat there, 185 flat, that could really rip and run as well. So just waiting and watching, seeing what we got. 175, 975 there on NQ. Have to beat that spot right there. Have your trailing stop losses in, but let that thing ride, baby. There it goes. S&P 500 picking up a little bit of momentum. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. So guys, patience is the key. You know, I have enough discipline to wake up in the morning, you know what I mean, and hop on the market. I should have enough discipline to wait for my trade setup, you know what I mean? So guys, you guys see a trader like even myself, not saying like I'm a, you know, like I've been trading for like 10 years or anything, but guys, you see myself who streams every day for you guys. I still have some struggles with patience and, you know, everything like that. So it is very much a thing. Here we go, guys. Right above this spot here of 80. This is it. This is the level now. This is the TP level you guys can look for. Above this spot, anything above it is low-key, maybe some extra. You know, you can look for 1800 at this rate, depending on what. I'm actually looking at Apple at 185. So right there, some. I'm looking to maybe take one more off here. S&P 500 is still holding high though. S&P 500 is still holding high, going a little bit higher here. Give me a lower shadow, rip and run. I'll set my take profit, my TP at that level then. Give me a red to green candle on this. S&P starting to take off top side, I think. Yep. 37. There it goes, starting to take off. Traders. Hit it, hit it, hit it. It basically double tops with this candle right here. High is 41. High is 41 on that one, guys. Let's see right here, guys. Let's see if it can break 41 on the ask here is what I'm looking at. So 33 flashing. Need to see it break those highs. Apple's still pushing. Apple has to break 185 there, guys. So I am thinking I'm going to lock some out. But I do like this play right now. Is coming back up here. Is continuing to rip and run here, guys. NVDA with a dip buy there. Above 80 again for more longs, guys. Right there it is, going higher. Beautiful, beautiful. Break 41 here on the ask on S&P 500, and we could really start to break out. So that's that double top area right there, guys. Above 80 here as well. We have to break this 80 area. This was old resistance there. So if we break 85, essentially, we could rip and run all the way back up to 1800 and for some more. Basically a massive W pattern, boys. It's basically what I'm looking at. Sorry if I'm screaming in your ear there, Caesar.
Oh, I saw that,
All right. 41 right here, traders.
Got you.
41. Up, right up there. 83, there it goes. Starting to break out above 41. Now has to hold above 41 to continue to rip and run and soar for you guys. Beautiful, beautiful trade there, traders. Just going to adjust my stop loss now. Let this thing continue to soar. Don't even get near it. Continue to soar, baby. So I think if we hold this high here, we get above 85. That's it. So like I said, 85, guys. Have to hold above 85, can continue to rip and run. Love it that it's holding above 41 on SPY. Love that. have Apple still pushing above 85 on Apple can result in a pretty large, I think, move to the top side. So guys, that's what I got labeled out. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So it needs to hold above that 41 mark. A little bit below it now, starting to come down off it. That's okay. Have my stop loss set in play. Want to see this thing continue to rip and run though. Maybe a little bit of a pullback to another spike. We'll see. Higher low pattern starting to form a little bit. Not a little bit, a lot. Right there, that was. Ooh, rub that view up. Oh, they're all holding up. They all do look good. I will say that. All do look beautiful. Above 80 again. Above 80 again. 79.50. 80 is not even the main level. 85 is, but above 80 makes me feel confident. And again, 41 is the spot on SPY though. I do want to see hold. So if we get above that spot, we're really not that far off for the S&P 500. And let me mark out something on NVDA for you guys. If you guys are still in this, 82 is basically the spot you want to see hold above. 82 ES, 145. 145, all these spots right there, guys. Beautiful. So we'd love to see this thing continue to rip and run here, guys. Definitely can see it right here. Traders getting back up there. Traders getting back up there. Beautiful. View up holding Apple. NQ overall holding its view up as well. Above the spot of 85.50. 85.50 is the spot to beat. NQ overall. All nearing their levels to beat. Getting up there. 40, 41 starting to flash here. 41 starting to flash. Beat it on SPY and then I'll look at the rest. Beat 41, baby. Beat 41, baby. You cute stock. So this is what we got to do. See, 82 to 83. That's how good looking you are, buddy. It's called the Riz technique. 43, continue to rip and run. 44, I love you, S&P. Honestly, one of the top 10 best looking tickers in the world. If I had to pick a ticker to get a tattoo of, it would be SPY. You know why? Because I spy a cute stock ahead, baby. You know what I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen? I know Caesar gets it when it comes to the S&P, when it comes to NQ. Yup. So the better looking these stocks are, I'm talking physical-wise, physique-wise. You know, if S&P was a person, it'd be named like Ken, bench like 315, and like long walks on the beach or something, dude. You know? And if it was a female, it'd be named like Barbie. I don't know what to go from there, guys.
Bro.
Yeah, so here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Above 85, up to 90. You want to see this thing continue to take off, traders? Above all of our points that we wanted to see hold here. If it can hold above these points, that's what you're looking for. If it can hold above, more takeoff above 85. You want to see that hold, guys. 85 right there. What's the absolute top is 90. That's the point in which you break. That's where you're going. So I don't want to see a double top there. I'd love to see this thing rip and run. NQ overall still getting up there. Apple. Tesla really getting up there now, too. Tesla helping out. Pushing the pack.
Fighting the urge to reach out. And my stance remains unchanged.
We got the Drake in the background. You know, R.I.P. him from Kendrick Lamar. You heard that diss track?
Yep. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh dude. Yo.
Yep.
Yo.
I did.
Yo. It was crazy. Okay. I heard that. I'm like, damn, bro. I hate the way you walk, you talk, you look. I hate everything about you. The way you smell. It's like, yo, this guy's crazy.
Yeah, I heard it.
All right, up at this level here, 89. Looking for 90 to break above 90, up to 18,000 flat. I love that we're holding above the 41 level now, but now I need to see that really hold out. Right? So if we're to hold out in that area, nice. 60's coming in, there it goes. Nice, I love that. 61, 20 cents above, continue to rip and run. Woo! Let's see it, baby. Want to see 90 break on NQ. 5147 on ES. Gonna mark that out, 5147. So, any resistance in these areas break for a nice little pop up to the fact of, I think 511 is the area we could pop up to on SPY. So let's just wait and see. 511, I'm assuming that's gonna be the equivalent to 1800 there. We'll see. There it goes, getting above there. Starting to get above. Break 90, about $100 off there. Let's see. Also Apple here. Apple, break 185. You are good, baby. Woo! I need more coffee. Or I don't need more coffee. One or the other, I can't tell.
Swerving between emotions.
I know we got real issues. 184, 89, 10 cents off 185.
Can't give in so
Above 185 for more longs to come in. Does that mean, YB, what do you mean by more longs to come in? Do we take longs at 185? Absolutely not. Like, if you're long already, you know.
I'm just trying to play my part.
Oh, I'm talking about Apple right now.
I'm not ready to let go.
Do not get filled. Do not get filled.
Oh, when you're ready, we can put this behind
I realize how
us.
close I'm seeing. How do I look? Okay.
Find
I
us
realize like how close I'm
I
actually.
know. Put this behind us.
Oh,
We can find us
feeling great.
again.
Feeling great, ladies and gents. Caesar, can you hear my music?
I was alone.
No? Okay.
I was alone.
Nope. No, I can't hear it.
And I needed people. I know my funeral gon' be lit. 'Cause how I treated people. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna.
I guess I can hear it. Nah, I don't mind.
Get a little hype, traders. Get a little bit of energy, traders. Crack it. Upwards of 90. Hold above this level here. Start to take back off. 1,800 meters parameters. Just gotta wait and see. There's a little bit of a pullback coming in. I'm gonna set my stop rather tight on this one. Do I see 1,800 coming in? Yes.
Stop
pushing,
field.
traders. Boom, baby. Woo! So traders, man, that is what I'm talking about. Ladies and gentlemen, YB, what in the world even made you enter in that trade? You know, and there's one thing I will say, yo, big shout out to the man Caesar. I know, like yesterday we had our talk and everything like that. When I have my losers, if you guys can see this, man, so that's my 7th trade of the day, which is crazy. I hold my losers for an average of maybe 20 points max. It's usually 10 to 15. My losers are within 10 to 15 point stop loss, right? And then my runners right here, like I held this play for basically this one for about basically almost 70 points, man. I held it for about 70 points compared to my losers, which I hold for about 10 to 15. Now, obviously, they add up. If you know what I mean, you're taking a bunch of trades and stuff. You know, you take base hit after base hit, loss, not win. They do add up. So, just dialing it back a little bit. I realized at the time, and we talked about it once again. Like I said, we talked about it yesterday, and everything like that. Around 11 a.m. is when I start to get that momentum, and I start to get that in. What made me get in that trade is just NQ dip buy, NQ view up 200 day. That is it, traders. That is how simple it realistically is. Bro, crank that shit. Yeah, buddy, bro. I got you, bro. Hopefully you guys printed off that play. You know, I mean, Caesar's been banking literally all day. You know, he's been playing these shorts, you know, scalping and or holding both of them, catching 40, 50 point moves, dude. So, shout out to Caesar as well, man. So, how you feeling on the day, Caesar?
That's good luck. All right.
Yeah, buddy. I love it.
You
Yeah, feeling
as
good.
turned up as you.
Yeah, right, dude. Well, dude, I mean, you know, the crazy part is, bro, I'm still down like 160 on the day. You know what I mean? But I was just down like almost 700. You know what I mean? And that was all 3 micros. So I'm still down on the day a little bit or whatnot. But every single time I do this, I start to implement a little bit more. And I feel like it's just, you know, not that no spiritual side or anything like that, but semi. Yeah, dude, like anytime I take a bad trade, the universe is not going to reward you for taking a trade you shouldn't take, right? So if it's not the EMA strategy, I feel like you're trying to beat it in my head that you have a strategy. Not saying other strategies don't work, right? That's the thing about the market. There's a bunch of different strategies that work, and yes, you just have to find the one that works with you the best, right? So for you guys, right? So like for myself, that is the EMA strategy. So when I take another one, my brain's not really accustomed to it, and I do end up taking a small loss and or a loss in general. To where if I know if you are 100% certain that, you know, you are going to, let's say this, now I hate using the casino reference, but we'll use it. Let's say you're 1,000,000% certain, which doesn't happen obviously, but you are, or let's just say not even 100%, let's say you're 96% certain, or like 95% certain that you are going to win this hand of blackjack, but you have to wait 10 hands. Are you going to play the first 9? Probably not, right? Now, if you are like 95% certain, you'll probably still go in with normal size, however much you're putting in, usually 200, 300 bucks, right? Then you'll take the hand. Then let's say again, 2 hours later, you have to wait 2 more hours and 50 more hands and take another hand, you'll probably wait. You'll probably go get a drink, probably chill out, go talk to a buddy or something, and then come back and be like, oh, we're getting near that hand. How many hands have we done? Oh, 33. Okay, I got about 15. You look at the time here. Oh, okay. We touched it once here. We reversed on NQ at 10:20. At 10:20, basically 8. We came all the way back up. I see the EMA setting back up. I'm like, okay, so I'm just gonna have to wait. Let me go get a drink. Let me go do what I gotta do, whatever, etc., etc. But me, I didn't. So I was playing in between, and then I finally had that hand happen, aka that hand of blackjack, or aka that trade happen, right? I'm not trying to reference it to gambling, but it's nothing like that trade. Obviously, there's no certainty of what hand of blackjack you're gonna win. You're gonna put that out there. Don't go to Vegas and be like, YB, but you told me. No. But what I'm saying is that I was certain on that trade right there, just due to the dip buy factor, and you keep a tight stop loss on it. Today, I'm not gonna lie, traders, I should have had 3 trades today, and I see the 3 trades. The one off open, which was that was just me, basically taking a small position on off of 2 longs or whatnot, off open, just to see what was gonna happen there. Beautiful trade or whatnot. I was able to capitalize off it. Then one dip buy at 10:25, another dip buy at 11, where I got that at basically 11:11. Right. Other than that, I should not have taken any other trades. And that's just something that happens. And that's and I feel like the universe will continue to beat that into my head until I respect it. So big ups there, guys. So if you guys have a strategy in play, man, do not go against your gut. If you have an intuition feeling that is telling you that you feel like you're chasing, you feel like you're not good today, you're not taking it, either walk away or snap out of it. Right? That's what I always say. Walk away or snap out of it. It's either go get a drink, go chill out for a second, recoup, recover, your mind, and then come back, and or just stop trading today. One or the other. Right? So I don't know if you agree with all that, Caesar.
No, I agree. I agree.
Yeah, buddy. Now Caesar here, he banks on 95% of his plays for 100 points. TP levels, getting it good, getting it green. so shout out to
Most part.
Yeah, what you said for the most part, yeah, right. Yeah, 100%, bro. No, definitely, man. So, you got any fun plans this weekend, bro?
No, not really.
Just chilling out.
No, not really. Just chill out, work on some slides and stuff. So nothing major. How about you?
Oh yeah, nothing crazy. Like I said, I'm going to Baltimore for Top Golf. So that's about an hour and a half drive or whatnot. So I got that planned today.
You're going all the way out there for Top Golf?
Yeah, well, one of my buddies, so he does wholesale real estate. He lives an hour and a half the other way. So from me to him, it's like 3 hours. But from the same way, from him to me. So we're meeting in the middle. We're gonna play some Top Golf. I'm gonna learn a little bit more because I've been looking into wholesale real estate. And he's been one of my buddies for a while, but he's been doing that for years now. That's been his, his only main income and everything like that. So I'm gonna dive into that a little bit more. As much as I've done a couple properties, done a couple contract flips, literally like one for very, not a couple, but one for a very small amount with wholesale real estate. So he knows a lot more than me. So, and then he's gonna learn a little bit about the market and stuff like that. So kind of exchanging knowledge, and everything like that. So yeah, buddy. And he's also good at Top Golf, bro. Bro drives. He sent me a video. He drives it like he doesn't play golf at all, but he just works out and stuff like that. And I guess he had to have played baseball back in the day. Because the way he swung looked like he was swinging a baseball bat and it went like 300 yards. I'm like, that's crazy. I'm like, dude, I'm like, yeah, so I'm not out driving him, I'll tell you that. I do not hit for 300 yards. So, yeah, bro.
Gotcha.
Yep. So, yeah, bro. So it'll be fun. But yeah, other than that, just kind of chilling out. I got a couple things, guys. I want to plug this out there. Yo, man, if you, I'll get you one of these guys. But on the YB Conversation website, we got hats, baby. So I made some hats, Caesar. Yeah, buddy.
Oh, word, nice.
Yeah. So we got some hats. I gotta rearrange this website right now. I gotta do a couple of things. So we got hats. I got a coffee mug. Everything like that. I'm gonna try and do some in-house products as well, guys. So if you guys, ever want to rep the YB for everything in life, right there it is, man. I'll link it in my chat. You guys can go there and pick up a hat and stuff. I'm also doing 1,000. So little other promo, guys. We are doing a $1,000 giveaway on our first $1,000 in revenue, right? So, in our first $1,000 revenue, not to profit in revenue in general. So we're gonna be giving all of it away, basically back to one of you guys, and or two of you guys. I might do 2 500, so it's a better chance. So yeah, buddy. So That's a
That's
little,
amazing.
yeah, right, dude? So it's not like, I don't know if you guys know Ricky Guntor or whatever I think his name is. It's not $50,000 or a C8 Corvette, all right? It's $1,000 bucks, but, you know what I mean, bro? But it's still a good
Goes a
chance.
long way, though.
Right, exactly, right, dude? So, yeah, so every purchase, you get one entry to that, and, yeah, man, so there you go, man. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be having a lot more products come out. I'm looking for quality over quantity, though, of products, so that's my main thing. So I'm looking to get, obviously, quality products in, so it does take me a little bit longer to get these mock-ups done and everything, so, yeah, my buddy actually runs a clothing business. He was in New York Fashion Week for a couple of his pieces. It's called Kudo Media. So I've been, I know, actually LJ, he's still in the chat. That's his buddy, really. So I'm looking to reach out to him if he knows anything about it. Yeah, LJ's still in the chat. I know he might know a thing or two about that. So yep, I think he was on. I think either he went to I forget which one it was. I don't know if he was in one of those fashion weeks, something like that. But he knows about the fashion business more than me. So yeah, buddy, that'd be cool.
Okay.
Yeah, buddy. So chilling out, man. Chilling. So here we go with the push back up. We had a little bit of a dip buy. It's still respecting that 9-day EMA though, man. Respecting all of these points long side now, and look at that, starting to take back off. Traders, if you guys are still in, you guys are chilling out, you guys are banking. I did get out on that 9-day EMA push to the downside. My stop loss, I was literally thinking about making it, 969, but I did not make it 969 due to the fact that I was not, I really was just okay with where we're at today, on the comeback, so yeah. So every single time we've been, taking these trades, other than FOMC today, FOMC this week, I've been basically green, yeah, except for, I don't know, this week has been wild, bro, let me tell you. A wild ride compared to April. We're looking to clean it up a little bit. So how about yourself, Caesar? Any more trades for you?
Not right now. I'm gonna chill out. Yeah, I'm gonna chill, wait, cause this thing is just popping too much.
Yeah, look at that, man. It's getting a little cray. It is also a Friday. I get that as well. Volume's actually not terrible, but it's still not the best looking price action. So I will put that out there. S&P does look really whack. If you take a look at that, and NQ in general. NQ, man, off that run up. I Push said it best when I did a Zoom stream with him one time. He said that, yeah, I remember, I forget what day that was. It was off some data, but he was like, I don't know if that came from you, he got it from, but anytime NQ kind of has a big jump in the market, it kind of consolidates during open hours, right? Yeah, that's kind of one thing he picked up on, and I mean, from what I've seen, I agree in certain ways. But yeah, I mean, I haven't seen any big ripping run right now. So let's check out DJT actually. I just bought more DJT here today. Okay, kind of sitting where I basically was already. Okay, so sitting flat on that. What else am I getting? Just Bitcoin, Ethereum, guys, some cryptos. That's about it, man. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns for myself and or Caesar there. Feel free to ask away, traders.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy, guys.
That's great.
Oh, there it goes. Okay, now, all right. Wow, dude, coming up right to the 1800 point. Look at 18,000.
Yeah.
So Apple, man, Apple could not get above 185. Did wick around 184.95, literally at that level. Once it gets above their traders, you're gonna see some sort of action. If it gets above is a question. That's what I should be saying. If not when, because it is starting to come back down here. But yes, 1800. Are you looking for a short anywhere in this area, Caesar, or you're not going to get?
Yeah, 18,000. I'm gonna look to see if we can reject there and come on back down. Yeah. There goes.
It's a 2-hour drive. Million miles, an hour and a half. Fuck. Might as well go to freaking Washington, D.C., bro. Go visit the White House.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, bro.
All right.
Like, oh, man. Oh, alright, guys. So, yes, man. So, continuously locking in, man. Yeah. Next time, Caesar, me and you do a dual stream, you know, I want you to give me a virtual slap across the face if I try and take a trade. It's not my AM EST strategy. Just give me a virtual slap.
Gotcha.
Yeah, just be like,
Betcha.
why me? Won't you do it? And be like, ah, you're right, you're right.
Mm-hmm. Got you.
Rejection here. Basically at 5'11", 18,000 here. Alright, do I really? Oh my gosh. Let's see. That's the only damn. That's crazy, bro. That's the nearest.
What's that?
Nearest city besides Philly. That's the nearest city. I didn't even think about that. Baltimore. Yeah, that's crazy. We're really that far, huh? I live in the. I'm in the middle of nowhere. Then, I'm like an hour away from. I'm an hour away from what's it called? What is it? Oh yeah, like Philly area, like an hour and a half hour.
Oh, shit.
Oh, okay. Alright, we're good.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's see. Oh, damn, look at that rejection, buddy. There you go. Aha!
Yep, yeah.
Are you in this stuff with the shorts?
Not yet. I'm waiting. I'm gonna try one here at 93.
Okay. LJ, outside of it. Yep, outside of that area. Outside. Yep. But yeah, no, I agree. Winning myself here, definitely. So Caesar, good question actually. What time? So obviously S&P closes at, overall stock market closes at 4 p.m. today on a Friday. So is it still the exact same at 5? Is that when 5 to 6? How that closes the overall futures market, and then it'll close at
Yes.
5. Okay, it'll close at 5 day until Sunday at 6.
Yes.
Okay.
Everything will close down completely at 5.
Did you see Apex change their rules by the way too?
No, to what?
For the close. So instead of liquidating your account, now they just close your positions. They don't liquidate your account, so that's good. So Apex,
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, so it's like they'll liquidate your positions, but they don't liquidate your account at 49.
Like what? If you're holding a position.
Yeah, into close, they do it at what is that, 459? Then they'll just liquidate your position and not your account. So
Is that on the eval or the PA? Because I never hold on the PA. I never hold anything past 4:30 or 4 p.m.
No, yeah. So on the on the PA, I was reading about it yesterday because I was gonna trade. I was trading Apple, and I didn't want to get liquidated because I was in the close. So I was like, okay, let's see. So no, but they just liquidate your positions. I read about now, unless so the only way they say that they'll liquidate or they won't honor basically a payout is if like you hold into the close and you don't get filled, like they don't liquidate it by somehow, right? And then it gaps up or something, and then you're like, you make
Okay.
50,000 or something. You know what I mean?
They won't honor that profit. Yeah.
So and that makes sense, obviously, because then it's like, okay,
Yeah.
it's technically against the rules, so.
That's awesome.
Yeah, right. So
I
that's
didn't know
a
that.
feature because I know that a lot of traders, you know, that's such a dumb way if you fail an account to fail one, right? Is just by holding because
Yeah.
you could be up, you know, 20, 30K in an account and then boom, just like that, you know, it gets taken because you didn't look at the time, right? It's like,
Yeah.
so, yeah, 1,000,000%. And maybe that's a good thing because if you're trading with a personal fund and you didn't look at the time, and then the market closes, now you can't sell. Now you're holding your 5 minis into the close in your personal fund, and you're like, oh crap, you know. So
Yeah.
the entire weekend you're gonna be stressing. It's gonna be like, yo, please,
Mhm.
guys.
Facts.
So yeah, buddy. So definitely a experience. Man, that day. So like it is coming a little bit back up here. Definitely a little slower. Volume dwindling down a tiny bit here.
Mhm.
Yeah. LJ, bro, yo, this guy, dude. Yo, this guy. I think you forget I'm streaming here, LJ. You can just text me, buddy. Text me, buddy. LJ is one of my students. He's like, what high
Oh, word?
He's like, what high school did you go to and everything? I'm like, yo. I still live in the area, buddy. Calm down. I'm like, yo. Trying to drop my IP address here and everything, you know, dude? This guy.
Mhm.
It's okay, I'm kidding, bro. I'm kidding. I don't think that's that federal. Yeah, no, you're good, bro. You're good, though. Yeah, right. He's like, what's the last 4 of your social security number? Yeah, right? It's like, yeah. This guy.
So why just last 4 thing? Get the whole amount.
Yeah, right? Yeah, it's like, you don't stop
Get
there,
the,
buddy.
get the whole thing.
It's like, 555.
Mhm. Be right back.
Alrighty. Yeah, sign your ass up for the military. Yeah, right, dude? No, because, dude, people would actually do that. Like, not actually sign you up for the military, but to get, like, a free t-shirt you can write down, or, like, in my high school, anyways, it was, like, a free pin or, like, a sticker or something. You got a t-shirt if you did, like, a certain amount of pull-ups, but for, like, for a sticker or something, you had to write your email down if you're interested in, like, joining and stuff. And people would just write down, like, other people's, like, oh, hey, what's your email? And they'd be like, why? And then they get it, and they just write down their email, bro, and then their name. And then next thing you know, you got them, like, you know, emailing you 24/7 and everything, like, hey, like, I heard you're interested. You're like, what did you do? It's like, sorry, man, I want a sticker. That's gotta be some, yeah, right, this guy, bro, yeah. Just like, hey, bro, what's up? What's happening, bro? Oh, man, dude, no, I love it, man. So, nope, it's a fun, it was all fun and games, man, high school. Good old days. Some of you guys are like, YB, you're 19. What do you mean the good old days? That was like 2 years ago for you. Wait, YB, you're 19, dog. Wait, what was that, 2 years ago, bro? Like, good old days. I feel like, buddy, what do you mean? Like, alright, listen here, buddy. Like, listen here. An old man. YB is an old man, guys. Yep. Mentally. I mean, if I'm losing my hair, I can consider myself an old man. Alright, let's put it out there, traders. Alright. If YB is losing his own hair. Would you go back to high school if you could? Absolutely. Absolutely not. No, absolutely not. No way in hell, dude. I'm sorry, man. Fuck no, dude. Slave away, bro, for what, dog? I mean, for a degree that's barely gonna pay the bills. You know what I mean? Maybe I'll be able to afford Top Golf every now and then, but other than that, bro, it's like, fuck no. I got a 2-week vacation of PTO. It's like, you know what I mean? Yeah, no, I'm good on that. That's why college, bro. And some of my students, bro, they regret going to college. They tell me all the time. Man, if they could do one thing in their life, they change it. And that is college. They would not go to college. And I'm not saying don't go to college. Like, I'm not saying that. But what I'm saying is, like, I genuinely, like, there's some factors, like living on your own. That is one thing that obviously, unless you're already doing that, right? Like, living on your own, obviously, like, that's something that it presents the opportunity that you gotta be responsible, take responsibility for yourself and stuff like that. Like, cool, that way. But then you also see what happens. You just get into partying and everything like that, and then, you know, you spend the next 4 years you know, just building debt, partying. You know what I mean? You're not really building money because you're spending it all on things you shouldn't be spending it on, like alcohol or, you know, worse things, right, etc. So yeah, dude, it's like college to me is just one of the biggest scams. Like they give you like 4 years. You know what I mean? The average I'd say is a bachelor's degree, so like 4 years. You know what I mean? You get to just chill out there, have fun, party. If you go to like a D1 school or some big name school, and then it's like, oh, I hope that was fun. I hope that 4 years was worth it, bro. Yep. Okay. Yeah, we need 100K. It's like what? It's like, so you're not gonna pay off your student debt for like usually a while. I feel like it's all yeah, man, and you know, yeah, got noted. Yeah, exactly, right, bro? Exactly, dude. It's like you gotta, especially because we're guys, bro. You gotta, if you're not a part of a frat, or you know, for myself, you know, even if you know the guys in there, it's still always, but the guys you don't know, they're always like, you're part of Alpha Chi Chi 95. No, I'm not part of Alpha Chi Chi 95. Fucking Stockton. You know, I'm like, yeah, I'm like tight, dude. You're like, all right. Good old days. Yeah, and I knew a couple brothers. Yep. It's like, yeah, dude. That's how it goes. Like, no. Brother Sanjay let me in. Brother Sanjay said I'm good to go. Yeah, all right, no, you know. So we're done with this topic, but yeah, dude. The days, man, the days. I mean, like you said, man, we've all been there. Well, most of us. And if you guys have not been there, you guys are not missing out on much. I'll tell you that. I promise you that. You know what's better than you know, partying in a frat basement? Partying in a massive club in Miami. Spending $5K on bottles. Actually, that's not even that much better. I mean, it's really not that much fun. Probably like, you know, riding around in a Porsche, or like, you know, riding around in like a Lambo, just going like 130 miles, 140 miles an hour cruising. That probably feels a little bit better than doing any of that. Guys, I do see a little bit of a pop here. If we get above this area right here on Spy, looks to be right there actually, up, get a little bit of a pop into these highs. So this essentially is that this 1800 level. We get above that 1800 level, you guys may be able to take some more longs. I'm personally not going to take it. I cannot take any more trades on the day unless we get back down to the EMAs. But the EMAs are separating themselves a little bit here, so the entries are kind of fading off as well. So if I go to NVDA here as well, you'll be able to see that the run-up is happening, the run-up did happen. We got a beautiful W pattern here on the day. But other than that, nothing much. Can confirm my German shitbox is more fun than drinking. Yeah, right? Yeah. Until they go grab brother. Yeah, right, dude? Yup, exactly, man. Exactly. And dude, yeah, dude, my car's not fast. But that little sleek look or whatnot, bro. I mean, it's just something you never, you know, you don't get that feel, man, from, you know, anything else, man. Just riding around, sunset, golf clubs in the back. You know, you got like Ocean Drive blasting, some blonde chick on your right. Beautiful. Yeah, right? Yup, exactly, man. You just gotta have good tread, man, or else you know, I got the vert, so like, I got that what is it? Oh man, they're like these little bars in the back that if I were to ever hit anything, they shoot up, they don't go back down. So it kind of sucks. You gotta like get them, like, take them to the shop, take them back down. So. This is my second E46. No, actually, I think I had another kind. They're called rollover bars. So like, if you roll your car when you're on, like, you're in burn mode, aka the top's not up, they shoot up to try and prop the car up so you don't crush your head. You know what I mean? Flip the car when you're like, here, let's look it up. 19.
See, we're back.
Yeah, buddy.
I'm gonna be stepping off for a few, take a break, and probably come back like around 3, see what can catch.
Right. Okay, all right. Well, it's been a great time, Caesar. You have a good
Yes, it has. You too, my good sir. I will see you next week.
Yeah, buddy, we'll run it back. Let's run it.
Yes, sir. You already know.
Take care, bro. See you then.
Take care. Later.
So, guys, Caesar in the building for you. Let me look up this BMW. 1999 328 BMW. Red. Oh, I should have put convertible. This was my first ever, basically. Then got what is it? I had a 2000 323i with 120K. I got 2.5 a couple years ago. But I flipped it. Yeah, I was going to say, bro, what? Let's see if we can find it here. Yeah, that's a flip and a half. So this was my first ever car. Convertible. Yes, this son of a gun right here. This was my first ever car, man. Not my first ever car, but my first ever, like, you know, What is this, like E36, E46 looking cars, you know what I mean? So that was my 4 times. Yeah, buddy. Okay, there we go. And then this is the current one, bro. So you guys let me know which one you guys like better. Oh, shit, you guys go. Hold up. That little red look. Oh wait, can you guys see it? I got a big head right here, guys. You guys got that little red look, and then you guys got that black look. You know, I personally like the black. I'm not gonna lie. I like the black, but I do like the red. That's a 36. You can tell from the headlights and front end. Okay, yeah, they're a little bit different than this one right here, the 46, right? Yeah. Yeah, because these ones, okay. Clap. Yeah, right, dude? Yup. That is literally my exact car, though. That's exactly what it was. Yup. I think it, like, the red, that's exactly it. Yup. So, yup. And that's not it. But that is a, that's it if it wasn't, yeah. Good looking car, man. I love that car. Was a champion of champions. So yeah, buddy. But I think I do like the black more. Let me tell you about dirtiness though, bro. This thing does not stay clean, traders. I'll put that out there. This thing does not stay clean, traders. It is ridiculous, bro. Like I literally, bro. So okay. So whenever I park it or whatnot, everything like that, you know, it's just yeah. You know, weld the diff. Yo, I'm not. I'm keeping this thing stock. Let me tell you, bro. I'm keeping this son of a gun straight stock. All right. I am not. I ain't doing nothing to it. All right. I refuse. Man. I don't wanna make it a drift car. That's what everyone's saying. Like, yo, make it a drift car. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. I guys see my whole little process here of how I do all this. So traders, what an absolute and utter beauty of a day, guys. I cannot complain about today. Literally patience is all that it comes down to. So let's review some of these trades I took today, guys. A lot of them, as you see, there is absolutely no reason for this, guys. So started off the day back here. Obviously traded some of the data, the after move, made about 12 bucks because, you know, off the difference here of these two right there. Then market open here, held that play, was a beautiful trade, was able to get myself up basically 100 bucks on the day off of that right there. Then took a trade here for no reason. No EMA strategy in play. No EMA strategy in play. No EMA. No EMA. No EMA. Oh, no EMA. Finally, EMA came in, and look at that, man. Held for 80-point total. Essentially, well, this one right here is essentially 70 points. So essentially 70 points right there. And this one I did end up selling these two minis, which this would have been an extra, like $300 if I would have held these. So I'd been like an extra $300, putting me up a total of like basically like up 200 bucks one day instead of down 160. So, but taking that profit is exactly what you should do. But like I said, we talk about this all the time. Any of you guys that are my students, we talk about the EMA strategy coming into play and using that 9-day EMA as your stop, right? Use that 9-day EMA, let that thing rock. So, sold two here, was very much willing to have my stop here. You have to have it underneath that 9-day EMA to the point where it cannot hit. Then started to come back up here, and as you see, held. Finally got stopped out here, but my initial thought process was literally to put my stop at 69. Why 69? Because it's under 70. I could have seen a retracement back to 70 and then above, but it actually only went down to 71, right? And then it's continuing to go up, so we would still be in this play right now. Our stop loss would still be at 70 flat though. sorry, or 69.25, 69.50 areas our stop would be at. You could adjust this if you want. That 9-day is already breaking, so you can honestly take this and then even move it up here. If you guys are in this trade somehow, you know, 75. 75 is that new stop loss, right? So you guys got filled all the way down here near 900, and now your stop's all the way at 75. That 1 to 5 RR ratio literally hits every time. So let's say you don't take all these little losses, whatever. Don't even take those little losses, bro. Just trade that EMA strategy we talk about time and time again, and that will play out. Literally on a very choppy, ugly day like this, we had that opportunity to present 2 times. Both times you could have banked. Right, both times you could have banked on NQ, hit multiple times on NVDA, and I'm not even going to say it's not going to present itself again here, right? But myself, I am already done on the day. I've already thrown in the towel. I am good. I know I'm still down technically 160 on the day, and that is okay. Same thing with FOMC where I traded. I was down 2K, got back down to 1K, and felt fine. I feel okay here. I feel fine. Thing is, I can always come back Money Monday, trade my strategy to a T, trade it with my 5 micros, and just basically just take that and run with it, man. So traders, feel free to be just hold it out, man. You know, if you have a strategy to set up, whether it's the EMA strategy, it doesn't even have to be that. Whether it's your normal.
So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, bet he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. Damn. And it been what it been.
Rewind, guys. We're gonna rewind. Alright, traders, rewind, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, butts. All right, guys, what is it? So you guys have your strategies in play. With the strategies in play, you guys are good to go, man. So absolutely good to go, guys. Like I said, man, this week has been a wild week. I'm hoping next week forms some better price action. I don't think we have any big earnings next week. We have no CPI, PPI, blah, 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 blah data. Our next data day is coming the 15th. The 15th is CPI data. I have it on my calendar. Monday, Tuesday, I will not be trading. Monday, Tuesday, I will not be trading on CPI data week. That is my new rule. That is my ungoverned rule. My only red days come from Mondays. Most of my red days, I know it's a Friday here and I have a red day. Most of my red days come from these weeks. CPI data, PPI data are all back-to-back, obviously. But not even just that, not just CPI, PPI data. I'm talking about FOMC. So FOMC weeks are also bad for myself when it comes down to the Monday, Tuesday. So I will not be taking a trade until after Wednesday. Until Wednesday, the actual CPI data. YB, what's your game plan for CPI data? I'm going to be going 2 micros each side here, 2 micros long. I'll initially probably take 2 micros long. Long or short? I don't know. I'm thinking short. I want to say short. You know, I realistically, I don't know. I feel both ways. I'm very, you know, we'll see when the time comes for CPI, but I'll initially be taking short. Then I'll have 4 micros up here. So I'll have 4 micros up here in case it does not go short and goes long. I'll get filled on the 4 micros long really quick. If I do get filled, that'd be amazing. If I don't get filled, then I don't get filled. But if I do get filled, basically I'd get out of my 2 short. I'd get into my 2 long. Be able to capitalize off like 500, 600 bucks. I'm not looking to make $7,000. If you guys are trading evals, yes, that is where you're looking to make that major money, right? That is where you're looking to go 5 minis long, 5 minis short, and you're good to go. But traders on the PA accounts, you do not want to do that. You want to be longevity. So with the longevity, guys, we are looking for obviously, you know, your elongated trades. So traders, man, hopefully you guys are doing absolutely amazing. And are you hedging it? Yes. So yeah, I'll be not hedging it with. I'll probably hedge it with some you know, with I'll hedge it with just like that. That's how I'll be hedging it. But other than that, no, I'm not gonna grab eval accounts myself because I already have a funded. Why big profit on evals over funded? Because funded accounts won't you won't get honored. You won't get honored your payout. So evals, yes, you can pass a challenge like that, but on a payout, you obviously they're not going to honor it. So if they see you make $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 in one day, and then the next day you make 300, next day you make 200, next day you make 500 bucks, they're gonna be like, yo, bro, how did you make this? Then they go back and they look, oh, you took 5 minis on CPI data. Oh, you took 5 minis on CPI data. Okay. Well, then what happens after that? Then they go to your other trades and they're taking 5 micros. They see you're taking 5 micros when you normally, and you just took 5 minis, you sized up. Oh, they wonder why. You know what I mean? They're like, oh, I wonder why he passed. You know what I mean? So there is no way to get around that. And, you know, realistically, if you want to be a good trader, you shouldn't be looking to get around it, right? They're giving you the opportunity at hand to get funded with this money, and they just want their take. So they don't want to basically be giving you a real account, and then you lose, you know, 5, 10K in it, right? That's not profitable for them. So they definitely, they just won't honor your payout at all. So yeah. So guys, came back up to the 1800 mark, spiking underneath it, guys. Yeah, dude. So just looking for a little bit of a pullback here. You guys can get a pullback to these EMA points. It is really setting up on a lot of these different plays here. So you might get your pullback back to this area here, and then a reversal. Gotcha. Yeah, buddy. So traders, like I said, man, that's it. If you guys are looking to take another trade, I guess that is a trade you could take. That is setting up beautifully on all of these points. But then again, you got to be cautious because you don't know at this given rate. It is late in the day. S&P 500 is a little chop sesh. Rest of these plays aren't really that good looking. So you do just got to be careful. Keep it on watch if you guys are looking to trade some more. I'm not against it, obviously. So yeah, buddy. That's what we're looking at. That's what we're looking for. So traders, I hope you guys all had an amazing day. Look at this thing, man. Above this 1800 mark, coming back for some more. It's coming back in blood. You guys would have been not even stopped out yet, man. You guys still have yet to even get stopped out. Bro, if you guys are in this trade and you guys kept your stop at 70, you guys have yet to get stopped out. Oh, my goodness, bro. Like, we could still be in this, traders. All the way up to our 1800 point, capitalizing off of 80 points then at that rate. So we did get our last sell right around this area of 80. We could have caught another 20 points. So almost 90 points we could have caught there. That's amazing, bro. Wow. 90 points off 5 micros is about $900. Yeah, it's $100 per 10 points, guys. Right? $100 per 10-point move. So you guys catch 100 points. It's a $1,000 trade. You just made $1,000 that exact trade, that exact day, man. That would have been amazing, beautiful. You guys would still be in that. So, traders, let's wrap this party up, guys. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, and I cannot wait for that Money Monday action to come in where we're going to capitalize off of the EMA strategy and the strategy we have at hand whenever you guys have a hand, and just bang, baby. So, traders, help me wrap this party up with a good old yeah, buddy. In 3, 2, 1. Yeah, buddy. Ladies and gentlemen, man, I love you all. I cannot wait to see you guys this fantastic freaking Money Monday, baby. Take it easy, guys. I will see you then. Ready? Peace. You stop scrolling. This is going to determine your entire life. What you do in this very moment determines your life. Not with this fucking TikTok. I'm talking about the age you're at right now. Whether you want to be a millionaire or a billionaire, you're going to be broke in the fucking side of the street. You have to lock in. Whether you want to go to the NFL, you want to run an e-com store, be a stock trader, I don't give a fuck. I'm saying that what you gotta do with 100% every single day showing up to the party. Every single day showing up and putting in the work. And if you do not, somebody else will. The devil is mocking you. The devil laughs in your face when you say you want to be a millionaire, when you say you want to be rich, when you say you want to make it, the devil laughs at you. Because you're not doing shit to prove it. Lock in, bro. Fucking lock in.
I'm doing just fine now it's over. I've been moving on and living my life, but occasionally I lose composure, and I can get you out of my mind. If I could go back in time, I'd do things differently, yeah, I wouldn't think twice. I distract myself, think of someone else, but every now and then you remind me. It's only when I'm lying in bed on my own, and I wake up and I don't see your name on my phone, to the moments where I think that I'm better alone. That's when I remember, that's when I remember. Every time I walk past your house in the rain, and I tell myself that you were the biggest mistake. And just when I think I'm finally doing okay, that's when I remember, that's when I remember. My friends tell me I shouldn't listen to the voices that go around in my head, so I try to delete all the memories, but you're really hard to forget. If I could go back in time, I'd do things differently, I wouldn't think twice. I'd distract myself, think of someone else, but every now and then you remind me. It's only when I'm lying in bed on my own, and I wake up and I don't see your name on my phone, to the moments where I think that I'm better alone. That's when I remember, that's when I remember. Every time I walk past your house in the rain, and I tell myself that you were the biggest mistake. And just when I think I'm finally doing okay, that's when I remember, that's when I remember. I'm missing you. I'm missing you. It's only when I'm lying in bed on my own, and I wake up and I don't see your name on my phone, to the moments where I think that I'm better alone. That's when I remember, that's when I remember.
Have you ever been in that situation where you just like, you just wanna, you just wanna take it off? Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Impress. Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Success. Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Impress. Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Success. Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Impress. Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Success. Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Impress. Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Success. Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Impress. Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Success. Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Take your motherfucking clothes off.